And we're live. Woohoo! Ghostbusters! It's my favorite thing in the world. Ah, man. Hey, Cheer, I'm doing great, buddy. How are you? Ah, man, I'm excited. I love me some Ghostbusters. Finally! VB with the chili. How about another chili stream, huh? You'd like that, won't you? Oh, man, I'm excited. Sometimes I'm in the mood for some Ghostbusters. Alright, I hope the stream's working fine. I'm looking forward to catch some ghosts. And hopefully the stream quality is fine. Oh, I need to tweet this. Let me set up the events real quick. Bear with me. Oh, there they are. There they are. Alright, so, what was I gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna tweet the stream out real quick. I hope the quality is fine, and I hope the audio is fine. It's not too loud. Vloggy, the stream is haunted. Yes, don't worry, I'll take care of that. I'm gonna get ready to... oh man, I'm excited. Alright, so, you see that building over there? That's in New York. It's actually a firehouse, like, for firefighters. That exists, and if I ever visit New York, which I will, soon, I want to visit that, and I want to take a picture in front of that thing. I'll probably lick the building or something. It's me, it's what I do. Lick stuff. It's true, I actually do that. I lick landmarks. That's weird. Anyway, hello, Aburami girl. How are you? Nice to see you. So, yeah, we're gonna bust some ghosts, and I still haven't tweeted the stream yet. Why am I putting this off? Hold on. Publish. I need to stop the urge from singing along with the soundtrack, because there's a delay from the audio of the game to my voice, like a 1 second delay or something, and my voice wouldn't sync up with the song, so that would look bad. Anyhow, I'm going to share this on my thing real quick on my personal Facebook, as on my my personal Facebook for once. Ghostbusting time. Come say hi. There we go. Is the audio okay? Is it too loud? If it does, Vloggy should play D&D. My goodness, what's D&D? D&D. What's D&D? Do not disturb. What's D&D? My goodness, I forgot. I forgot what D&D is. Dungeons and Dragons. And Strange. Is Dungeons and Dragons? Is that what you mean? Final, hello. Nice to see you. Boston makes me feel good. Okay, if the audio of the game gets too loud, let me know, guys, because there's a tendency it can get loud with the proton packs and the proton streams crossing each other. Do not cross the streams. Dungeons and Dragons, yeah. I never played Dungeons and Dragons in my life, ever. Last time I played this was months ago. Yes, Philly, from time to time I like to play this game because I'm a big fan of the Ghostbusters. Let's get this started. Otherwise, I'm gonna just keep on rambling. New career, always start over. Casual, experienced. I am very experienced, and bring it on. How about a little bit of that? No, I'm gonna go with casual. I don't feel like... Because the thing is, the game punishes you with a very long loading screen. If I die, I have to wait. And each time I have to listen to the Ghostbusters song and risk a copyright strike every single time. So yeah. Alright, let's all get a little... I know that. Game, I know that. So I'm gonna be quiet during the cutscenes because they're so good. Shh, shut up, Vloggy.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the night?
Do you experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic?
Have you or your family actually seen a spook, specter, or ghost?
If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute.
Just pick up the phone and call the professionals.
Call the Ghostbusters. We're ready to believe you.
Franchises available soon. Call for details.
Whoa! Russell, hey man.
You near the East Wing?
Yep.
But by the new Ghost Show exhibit?
Yeah, why?
There's something headed your way.
Wait. I hear something. I'm gonna take a look.
Want to hear something really creepy? I was reading about Shandor, you know, the guy who donated most of the Gozer stuff. He was into the occult, you know, supernatural. Weird dude.
Well, why don't we talk about it some other time? Any other time. Hey, you can't be in here. Stop!
Strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
Ghostbusters? Is your haunting an apparition, poltergeist, phantasm, wraith, banshee, demon, spectre, tortured soul? What? No, we do not summon dead family members and catch them so you can ask the combination to the safe. Yeah, well, same to you, pal.
Hey, it's the new cadet. Welcome aboard.
This might be a little dangerous.
Great. Danger is our life.
We'll start at 50% capacity. That should keep any burning or tissue damage to a minimum.
Hey, if you're gonna burn any tissue, do it to the new kid. You can't use Ray. Our mortgage is in his name.
I guess he's right. What's your name again, kid?
No names, Ray. I don't want to get too attached to this kid. You know, just in case. You remember what happened to the last guy.
There we go.
He's tuned and ready to go.
You may feel a little
tingle, because this is all experimental.
good. We've perfected an extensive and rigorous training regimen that will teach you all your equipment's basic functions.
It takes some time to achieve master throw skill, but it's definitely worth the effort.
Was that us?
I don't think so.
Ray?
Had to be some sort of psi energy pulse. Substantial, a significant collected and centralized necromantic convulsion, level 7 or more.
Agreed. We need EMF measurement checks now.
I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Is a level 7, whatever, bad or very bad?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say...
Let me guess. It's a 7.
Let's just say we're about to get real busy.
Okay, awesome.
And that
I
is
want to
not the
welcome
fun kind of getting busy.
Julian as well. Hello,
Is it?
Julian. And Mac Knight
Look
is here
out!
as well.
Slimer's
Apparently, Mac
escaped
Knight loves
again.
Ghostbusters, just like I do.
No way.
Alright,
Oh,
so,
wow.
if any of you are wondering, this game is... wow. This game's quite old now. It's 2009. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, 8 years old, this game. And it still looks good, huh? Look, there's an Easter egg here. If you remember the old NES... the old NES game, the old NES Ghostbusters game, had a very bad ending, a very crappy ending, and towards the end it gives you a congratulations screen with
Let's
congratulations was misspelled incorrectly, and it's there. Look, congratulations! You have completed a great game. You proved the justice of our culture. Now go and rest our heroes. That is the end screen to the NES game. It's just a little Easter egg. Anyway, yeah. It is a good game, Mac Knight. It really is. So let's go. We're gonna practice. Look at this. Look at
Missing
this.
an
Look at, I'm
opportunity.
gonna look around. Look at this. It's Qbert. You guys know Qbert? He's playing. Oh, he's gonna go back to it.
What?
He's playing Galaga or something. Anyway, I'm gonna look around real quick because it's awesome. You get, look. This is the thing. This is
Slimer went that way. Follow him.
This is the device that they put on Louis Tully in the second movie. There's so much stuff. Look, there's a...
You have 7 new messages.
Emergency! Please call me back now!
The employee handbook suggests you check out all significant alerts.
They look like hobos!
Is this the last game that Atari ever made? Anyway, I like to look outside here and look at the view. I think over there is where the World Trade Centers used to stand, but I think they decided not to make them in the game because of what happened, and I don't know. But that's exactly where they were supposed to stand, over there. In 1991 they were still standing, but anyway. Can I go up? Oh, it's closed. I'm gonna go visit the bathrooms real quick. The PC game didn't have a co-op? Interesting. The Qbert logo. So cute. It's amazing, the detail that they put into this.
Let's
Come on,
move.
don't make me move. I want to look around real quick. Oh man. Toilet. I just flushed the toilet. Interesting.
Missing an
I want to
opportunity.
go down the pole. Oh, look at their beds. How cool. Come on. Does anybody have a Stay Puft? Plushie or something? Nobody? No. Alright, let's go. We're wasting time. 1980. Yeah, 1990. This is
Slimer
actually
went that way.
1991.
Follow him.
1991. Look at this. This is Louis Tully's desk, and there's his uniform and the earmuffs that he used to wear or something. P. Venkman, E. Spangler, Zedmore, and Ray Stantz. The Ecto-1. How cool is that? Can I do something to the card?
The employee handbook suggests you check out all significant alerts.
Can I do something with the card? No? Seriously? Alright. Oh look, it's the painting from Vigo! From the second movie. Vigo the Destroyer.
Bow to your master.
He speaks!
Oh, you're too busy, huh?
Release me from this torment. I can make it worth your
How
while.
cool. Anyway, that's enough. Let's go. Let's go. Because Slimer apparently took off. Yeah, rip Raul Ramus. There he is. He lives on through this game. And the voice.
There it is. It seems oddly drawn to the containment grid.
He's been fascinated with it ever since you added the viewer to the unit. Okay, easy now, Cadet. I'll talk you through this. Use the proton stream to get his attention.
Right. So, this is where they contain all the ghosts, the containment units. And for some reason, Slimer's drawn to it. And I'm gonna blast the stream, and this is what's gonna happen. Oopsie!
No, not the containment unit. That's some highly sensitive equipment you're disintegrating there, kid. Oops, you let one out.
You see,
That's my
because
fault.
I damaged it, so they're
fine-tuning the
escaping.
interspatial gasket this afternoon. I'll fix it. You two get those ghosts back.
Man, I'm really enjoying the tour. Let's go. Let's go, Ray.
He went into the sub-basement, and his escapee friend went with him. Come on, kid. We got a job for you. Taking the right precautions, Slimer's harmless. More or less. Not sure about the other guy, though. Okay, let's go get him then. Oh, and don't sweat the containment unit. It's easy to get excited your first time out with the proton stream. Egon will fix it in no time.
Hey, Ala, welcome. Nice to see you. I'm playing some Ghostbusters today.
Now, first and foremost, before things get out of hand, you want to get to know your proton pack. It can be your best friend out there in the field. Everything you need to know is displayed on the pack itself. Here's where you keep an eye on your current physical condition. The more green that's on the bar, the more damage you can sustain and still stay on your feet. This bar indicates your pack's heat level. When it gets to the top, you'll want to vent the pack and keep it from shorting out and resetting. For the most part, capturing a ghost is pretty straightforward. We break it into 3 basic steps: sap them, cap them, and trap them. Spectral entities derive all their strength from an accumulation of PK energy. Blasting them with your proton stream or other offensive equipment helps to dissipate that energy. Dissipating their PK energy also makes them easier to capture.
Alright, so R2 with the blast the stream. I forgot the controls. So do I aim? I don't need to aim, really. He's already aiming. The crosshair is always there, so that's good. And there's Slimer. I'm gonna get the right angle and...
Do it again! See that overlay on the ghost? It indicates the current accumulation of a ghost's PKE. The more you
See, that's his health
weaker it
over there.
becomes.
The moment I sap his health,
Pack's
I'll
moving
be
in
able
the red,
to...
get it.
Oh, he took off.
Ooh, we lost Slimer. There it is! Ugh, and I thought Slimer was disgusting.
Oh, wow. Whoa, whoa, he's gonna throw up. We thought Slimer was disgusting.
All right, you've got it good and winded. Next stage, cap 'em. You can project a capture stream or wrangler manually using this control. On the other hand, the pack will detect when a ghost is sufficiently weakened and auto-select the capture stream setting. get in there and throw a capture stream on that tub of goo.
Alright, we got him.
Fantastic, you got it! As soon as your ghost is in your capture stream, the slam meter begins
Okay,
to
no
slowly
problem. I
charge.
can do it again.
If you want to accelerate the slam meter charge, you can wrangle or counter-wrangle the ghost at the end of the line.
There's a trap.
Here's how you do that. Watch the ghost.
There we go.
When it makes a dash in one direction, you pull the stream quickly in the other. Give it a shot!
Come on, get in there!
Whoops, Baby Soup doesn't like that. You've got to fight him to keep him in the cone.
Hey, Roderick and Carl. They're together. Roderick and Carl are together right now. You can tell.
Retrieve your trap.
They're together.
Did you get them?
We're batting 500. Slimer slipped out. Our cadet bagged his first one, though. A very nasty customer.
Alright, guys, I want your
and you've
feedback,
gotta be very
feedback about
careful
something.
crossing the streams. In a word,
Were you able to hear me talk when I was blasting with the stream, or
Things
was
like
it
the
too
Dickens,
loud?
too.
Let me know. Otherwise, I'll just lower the volume of the.
Hey, how come this mump gets all the new stuff?
He's our new experimental equipment technician.
He gets a cool title, too?
it means he gets to carry around a bunch of untested, extremely dangerous hardware that, if not handled correctly, could blow him somewhere into New Jersey.
Oh, this knucklehead lugs around our very dangerous prototype hardware that could potentially blow us into New Jersey. Thanks. Keep the title, kid. It'll work hard for you.
All right, the sound is okay. Yeah, thank you. Keep giving me feedback when it gets really loud. Let me know if it happens. I'm doing great, Ala. Thank you for asking. Don't cross the streams, indeed. All right. So yeah, Slimer took off, so we're gonna go chase him, and we're gonna go.
Ghostbusters, what do you want?
Where to, Ray?
The Sedgwick Hotel. It's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation point.
They've got a real good buffet.
It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table at the Sedgwick. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks.
Hey, John! Nice to see you, bud. How are you? I'm playing some Ghostbusters today. I love this game with all my heart.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the fine print on our invoice...
Invoices.
Right, invoices. You'll see that your warranty on rehaunting expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
You see, the Slime already attacked this hotel years ago, and they captured him. And years later, he escaped and he came back to this hotel, and he demands a refund. Like, are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me, man?
Dig up what you can.
I want to check out the guy
That little greenie shouldn't cause us too
vacuuming
much
the
trouble.
carpet real quick. What's up, bud? Hello, I'm a Ghostbuster. Hello, hello, I'm a Ghostbuster. All right, let's go. Yeah, it has been a while. It has been a while. It's always nice to see you, bud. The stream's going well. Well, actually, you tell me. Seems to be okay. Hey, what's up, man? Speak to me. Speak to me. Nothing. So we're out hunting Slimer, and Winston's on a date. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna follow Peter and Ray. That's it.
Well,
Vecman saw a
hello.
girl.
You're perfectly safe now, Miss. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
That approach rarely works with me. I'll show you.
Did you get it? He failed to impress the lady. He's like, that approach doesn't work, you see? I'm gonna explain to you later. It's like I did it on purpose. I failed.
All right, Ace. Get ready.
Dr. Stantz, if you do the honors.
Proud to, Dr. Venkman.
Part of our settlement with the city, proton packs must remain off in heavily populated public areas.
And in close quarters. It minimizes the city's liabilities and satisfies the restraining order the maid here had put on us.
World we live in today, you shoot a proton stream of highly charged particles at someone, they get all so happy. It's him! Nice. Now we got another plaintiff.
You did your entrance exam for college, and you're nervous. There's nothing to be nervous now.
Oh,
What's
come
done
on,
is done.
Freddy.
I'm sure you
the
did
one
well.
that gets a face full of slime every time
Well, that's
the
not how you
little
did,
green
actually.
buddy escapes. He doesn't even know me well enough to hate me.
Is that Tom Hanks? Looks like him. No, he doesn't look like... Whoa, who? Peter Venkman? This guy? This is not Tom Hanks. This is, Bill Murray, when he was young. They all did the voices, by the way. They all did the voices accordingly. I'm sure you can tell. Black Ghost, welcome to the stream, my friend. We're playing some Ghostbusters. Boston makes me feel good. Let's go. We're following Ray, apparently. There's a ghost. There's Slimer. Actually, we're hunting Slimer. I want the Slimer emoji on Discord. I just realized. Guys, remind me. I want the Slimer emoji on Discord. There he is. There. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Contact!
Whoa, whoa, I'm getting hit.
Ah, yow! Jeez!
Okay.
We're burning daylight, Pilgrim. Can we get out of here?
You know what the best part is of the game? You can destroy stuff, and it will give you a total of how much stuff you've destroyed and how much it costs the Ghostbusters to repay the damage. Look, I'm gonna blow up this vase, or vase, whatever you want to call it. Let's blow it up, and you're gonna get like an amount on the right hand side. Look, oh, on the left hand side. You see, that costs 38. You see that? That cost me $38. Slimer emoji coming right up. Oh, look, what's that? Oh, I threw the trap. Oops, my bad. I threw the trap. Let's go. Try to catch me if you can. Rip face. Look at it. And I love how Slimer thinks he's eating, but everything's just falling right through him.
That's what your proton stream is for.
Alright, are we gonna catch him? I was gonna blast him, but there was no point.
Nah, I've seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun, though. I'll cover the elevators and escort any ladies safely to their rooms.
You see, if you watch the first movie, you know what happens. You see, Venkman gets slimed
this
badly.
signal looks
He
just
can't even
like
get
the
up.
elusive little planet.
He hates Slimer because of that. He hates Slimer. So he's like, I know how this one's gonna turn out, so I'm gonna sit this one out. It's
will
awesome.
flash and
If
buzz
you
when
watch
it detects
so
a
many
potential
references to the movie.
The pair of goggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it. Ghost trails, object auras, all
pressing
kinds
wrong
of cool
buttons.
events.
So PK meter is
Now,
with
in
a
the center of our
triangle.
peaks,
Alright, there we
we're
go.
headed in the right direction.
And anything,
When it's flat,
you see, the thing
following a cold
goes
trail.
up if it detects
Line
stuff.
the target up with
Look,
the smallest circle for the best scan.
so there's obviously
Okay,
this
you
is
got it.
Slimer
Now just
slime.
take a
I
scan.
need to scan it apparently.
Way to go! Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue means an active sample.
His name was Jimmy. The vase. Are we gonna open here? We're gonna take me, Ray. Come on, Ray. This way? Okay, something. There's something here, and it goes red, you see? It shows you where stuff is, look.
Getting warmer.
Wow, there's definitely something here.
Warmer.
Oh, wow, is it the vase?
Warmer.
It's actually the vase. It's actually the vase. Look at that. This vase has something wrong with him. With it. Well, you see, Slimer's hiding in there.
Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot. Careful.
Emily! Welcome to the stream. I'm playing some Ghostbusters today. It's one of my favorite franchises from the 80s.
Whoa, he's
Yeah,
definitely
look at
been
that. Look at that. Doritos. Sponsor. Doritos. I love that. I think in later copies of this game, later versions of this game, they removed the Doritos logos, I think. Either the contract expired or something, I don't know. But in later copies of the game, there isn't Doritos stuff. Thank you for the retweet, Emily. You are awesome. Thank you so much. Danica! Hello! Danica, for those of you that don't know, Danica is my sister. Some of you already know because some of you guys were here yesterday. Danica is my sister. Alright, so let's go. What's this? Did I see some green stuff? Yes, look at that. Uh-huh.
An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact. We get paid extra for everything
You were
scan
searching for
and
towards. You
collect.
got 71 pants
Then we roll
points.
it back
Let me
into
see how many
research and
pants I
development.
have. Hold
The
on.
extra funds let us experiment with
Oopsie.
new equipment
Sorry,
and
my
offensive
bad.
technologies. Which in turn, you get to wear on your back to test. Remember, you can always review techniques, tutorials, and equipment in your online Ghostbusters field manual. It's all accessible from your PKE meter.
Ray! I don't feel good!
Peter, come in. You okay? Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go, go, go!
Can anybody guess what happened to
Come on,
Ray?
shake a leg. You can move faster than that,
Yeah,
can't you?
I can sprint.
Double time, cadet!
Can anybody? Jason, thank you for subscribing.
Slimed again.
And there you go. He got slimed again. I'm not wearing any pants, John. Good guess.
I was covering the elevator.
GG. Look what happened. Thank you for the sub, Jason. Thank you so much. You still owe me points. Oh, because I made you. Yeah, I made you bet them, did I? It's true. I don't know how to give points, honestly. I don't know how it's done. I really still don't know how it's done. Let me see if I can bet. Bet. I don't know. I'm gonna bet 100 one more time. Come on, can I bet 100?
Hey,
am I gonna do
over
this?
here.
Boo! I lost. All right, let's pick him up. He got slimed again, the second time.
Hey, over here. Little help? Yo, little help? That mutant Stromboli snuck up on me. God, funked the fire again.
When one of us goes down, we always help each other out. It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-sliming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people die every day.
Call the elevator, Junior.
New people die every day. I used to make vlogs. That's why my username is actually VloggyBuddy. Because I used to start doing vlogs. That's how I started doing vlogs. Then I started doing travel vlogs.
Today's not my
Then
cardio.
it gets tiring doing weekly vlogs. It was tiring. It was awesome. I miss those days. I wish I could do them again. Maybe one day. I don't know. And I'm happy that Emily, at least she won 100 pants points.
Call the elevator,
Come on,
Junior.
bet another 50. Emily, bet another 50. You got 100. Bet another 50. Come on. I'm gonna try again, actually. I'm gonna bet 50 to get an incentive, to give you an incentive. Bet. Oops,
I'm
I
not
forgot to say
taking
how
the
much.
stairs.
Bet
Today's not my cardio day.
50. How are you, Jason? Hey, where's my cam? No cam today because I'm streaming from my laptop and the camera on the laptop
Call the
is...
elevator, Junior.
I only use the webcam. I only do the face cam when I'm streaming from my iMac. You don't listen to me after. Yeah, it's good advice. Emily, it's good. Shh.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevators? Show of hands.
Here it comes.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
You always fail at Ray, don't you?
The humor is so cheesy and dry. I love it. I love it. There they are. Okay, are we gonna catch Slimer? Oh my god, it's not just Slimer now. Alright, let's get him.
Never mind the onion head for now. The ghost with the red cap is fighting hard to hold Stacy.
Come on, he's a New York bellhop. Just
Oh, we got one. There we go. Get in there. Get in the trap. Good! Finish the trap! GG! Got him. I threw 2 traps, I think. Did I? That's not my trap. I don't think it's my trap. I can't pick it up. Alright, where's the other ghost? Come on, guys. It's 2 against 1 and you didn't pick him up? You didn't catch him? You all need some vloggy help. Let's do this. Gotcha! 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 Let's put him in this trap. In this trap, I said. In this one. In this one. Come on, there's the trap ready. Get in there. 1, 2. I love how they scream before they get in. Like, no! Love it. I can't pick this up. This is not mine.
Really stirred the nest. Man, this lobby.
That was Ray? No.
Can we please call Winston and tell him his night off is officially ended?
There's Slimer. Slimer! He's gonna get you. There's more? Now let's get these first. Ooh.
Scan it for the guy now.
Oh, I'm down? Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good,
Down
we're
here
good.
and safe. Look behind you. Run! Bad idea.
Uh-oh. Get up, get up.
It's on your left.
Oh, they took off. No problem, Emily. No problem, take your time.
Ray, follow me. The others are floating back upstairs.
No, I didn't get
Pull
wrecked.
our
Come
friend
on.
Slimer into a
Come
trap
on.
as fast as you can.
Sorry if I'm
The
missing some of the
massive
chat.
spikes
I'm just busy
indicating
playing the
this
game.
isn't just some routine clearing.
Sorry!
He gets so bossy when he isn't in his map.
Smackdown Slimer with Peter. Oh, okay, so it's not with you guys. That's why you're just standing there. Okay, Peter! 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 Where'd Peter go? Venkman! There he is.
Hey now, is that honey glazed ham and prime rib? There, the Alhambra Ballroom. No way he could pass that up.
Absolutely not. You can't go in. The Rodriguez bar mitzvah is set to start in half an hour.
I'll bet the beef brisket is today's special.
And you've done quite enough already. I'm sure the thing will just go away. I'm willing to risk it. You're not going in there.
That's all we needed to hear. All right, we're out. Coffee time, everyone. Service has been declined beyond this point.
I love Venkman. His one-liners. And the thing is, they already trashed that same ballroom, so he won't let them in. Even if there's a ghost, he's like, nope, nope, nope. But I love how Venkman's thinking outside the box. Like, you want to get in through there? We're going to get in through somewhere else. And I love how you call it top lap. I like that.
Ellis
Top lap.
Island incident.
A friend of mine used to call it laptor. Like a dinosaur. Laptor.
You
A
bring your
raptor.
apron? We're going to take a little shortcut through the
We're not going to
kitchen.
take a shortcut through the kitchen, actually. We're going to take a longer cut.
The Alhambra should be right through here. Hello, chef.
We're actually calling for the chef, and we are going to meet the chef. But the chef from like 100 years ago. There's no Peter Parker, it's
Okay.
Peter Venkman. Venkman.
Champion.
Look, it says so on his...
You leave for a while.
This kitchen seems safe. Oh, no, it's not. This kitchen is not normal. Okay. We're gonna get some Peter Parker soon, though. I'm gonna be playing the next Spider-Man.
All right, don't touch the
Well,
slime.
I hope we get the new Spider-Man in
Slimy,
in
and
E3.
it's extremely dangerous.
At E3, not in E3. I hope we get. Whoa!
Yeah, you'd think I'd be used to that stuff by now.
I hope we get new Spider-Man.
It's nothing to worry about. Most kitchens have self-starting pilot lights.
There he is. You lead the way, Venkman. Gotta get your on! Hey, V4, hello. I'm busting some ghosts today. I'm busting some goats. I mean, ghosts. Goats. See, the ghost doesn't want us to proceed, so he's trying to block our way. But, I would think, outside... Oops. I cannot. Vecna, what do we do? I love goats. Goats are awesome. Alright, how do I do this? I thought I could just move it with my proton stream. No? Oops, I threw the trap. Sorry! Did he take off? Venkman took off. No, he's still there.
Okay, I dare you. Everything but the kitchen sink.
Oh, there he is. Look at the damage on the top left corner.
This is why I eat out of a can.
Now I can do this.
Alright, check this out. To trap them, you've got to grab them, and to grab them, you use the other half of the proton one to capture.
There we go. That's what I was trying to do.
That's all there is to it. You just throw this junk anywhere. We don't stick around and clean up.
Am I trapped? Look at this. I'm trapped inside. Okay. Oh, man.
You know, I thought that guy said Rodriguez bar mitzvah.
There he is, Slimer!
Would it kill him to mix in a green salad once in a while? I'm gonna take backup. Blast him until he's dazed, and then throw your capture stream on him.
Are you ready? We're gonna catch Slimer and try to make a lot of damage. Let's go. Slimer! We're damaging a lot. Whoa! Look at that, he's lining me big time. Look at that. Oh, you're gonna get it, Slimer. Oh, where'd you go? He's hiding somewhere. Slimer! There you are! Gotcha!
Good.
Oh, we got you, Slimer.
That's it, buddy.
We got you. Get ready to get back in the box.
Breathing.
Get ready. Get ready, get back in the box!
No,
Throwing my
gotta
trap.
hold him still. You gotta wear him down. When he's tired, you'll be able to put his sorry crater of a butt into
Get ready to get back in the box. Bye, have a great time, Slimer. Bye, Slimer. GG.
Yeah, perfect. See?
Okay,
That's a
Dark
big
Sector, no
one.
problem. Thank you so much for dropping by and
Teach
leaving
that
a like.
pitiful goop sack to slime.
Take care, bud.
Pete Venkman. And by extension, you. Perhaps a place sitting disturbed, still pretty much ready, full go for the Rodriguez blowout.
The Alhambra Ballroom! The bar mitzvah! What have you done? The guests are arriving in 15 minutes!
What seems to be your problem? Thanks to me and my new exclusively assigned recruit here, the festivities can now proceed in an entirely ghost-free environment. So, you're welcome, huh? And, to the Rodriguez, a l'chaim from the Ghostbusters.
Nice. So we got Slimer.
Nice of you guys to join us. You grabbed the little spud?
Ray, we need to have a heart-to-blob talk with this one. Or we are going to disprove.
What's going on?
Uh-oh. Heads up, your initiation is over. Now give us a hand. We've got a couple of really persistent, troublesome spirits here.
All right. You see, I'm making a stream on YouTube Gaming, a stream, and I'm shooting Proton streams.
swarm.
You see, it's streams about streams. It's a stream about streams. Look, there's another Dorito vending machine here. I like that. That's adorable. All right, let's go. Oh, we got. Oh no!
Screaming.
His friend
The hang
attacked
of
me.
it. Good trap work.
I'm gonna take care of the other one actually. Hold on, where is the other one? This guy. There you go. Gotcha. Come down. Oh, he took off. You.
On the right.
Oh my goodness.
Look behind you.
This guy needs to go. No, 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 this guy.
You got him on the rope. EWR trap here.
Hey, watch it.
Alright, let's put one down in the box.
Multiple contact.
Seriously?
Don't quit. Hey, I'm on your side.
Oh my goodness. What's the point of Pants Points? Nothing. It shows how loyal you are to the streams. That's all. It's a form of currency. The more you have, you can play. You can make bets with Pants Points. Alright, you buddy. Going in the box this way. Get in the box! Oh, seriously, man?
That's good. Keep working.
Is there another one?
Look behind you. On your left.
But not this.
Now. Keep up with it.
That's another one down.
Up high.
There we go. Here and there.
Such a chore now, was
You
it?
see how quiet it's gone now that I'm trapped all the ghosts? Ghost was like, no, I don't want to go in the box. I'm gonna miss the new episode of Walking Dead. Yeah. Now what? Hello, sir. You're welcome. Why everybody standing there? Are there more? Oh, look, it's the outside. I like that. I want to look around real quick. It's pretty. Vloggy, check Discord. Did you do as Limer? Did you do as Limer emoji? Awesome. I cannot check right now. Actually, I'll check in a cutscene. But I don't know what's going on here. Why is everybody...
Hey, I'm on your side.
Ow! Ow! That was ow there.
Now where do I go? What's going on? Feels like it got frozen. Did the game glitch out? Oh. What do we do? They're like... My guy's frozen. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Yes. You only see what your eyes want to see. How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen. I'm sorry. When your heart's not open. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I think the game froze. Did you die?
You hit me! Oh!
What's going on? Why you no do? I think the game bugged out.
Oh.
Oh. Hey, watch it!
Oh! Ah! Ow.
Do I shoot you? Come on, dude, speak. Do something. Trigger a cutscene or something. What's going on? I have to redo the whole thing. I think the game bugged out.
Who is going to pay
All
for
right.
all of this?
No need to worry, sir. As you know, the mayor rode to office on a strictly pro-Ghostbusters platform. And we now invoice the city directly for all captures and eliminations. And unhaunted New York is a tourist-friendly New York.
No. The damage.
The mayor and the city have taken out an extensive insurance policy as well, so you're covered.
Honestly, I'm sensing some hostility here. Perhaps we should just leave the ghosts here if that's what you would prefer, sir.
No. No. But please, be discreet.
Discretion is our professional watchword.
Heads up!
Whoa! Where did he come from?
I suppose we should go after him, unless you want to discuss it first.
Cadet, go with Dr. Spangler. Check out the angry fisherman.
Let's go with Dr. Spangler. No, wait, this is not Dr. Spangler, this is Venkman. Let's go. Let's go, Egon. Hey, Geshi, welcome! How are you, Geshi? This is what I felt like playing today. this is my mood. Toby Raid! Toby Raid! Toby! Toby Raid! Welcome, Toby! Welcome, Timothy!
This way. Looks like he's drifting upstairs. Can't get across there. Move. Take the lead. Take this track.
Alright, so I'm on my own now. We got separated. Uh-oh. Bye, Egon! Bye! Bye! He's gone. Alright, let's go. We're on our own now. Track down the fisherman ghost. Hey, Kurt! Welcome! When are you gonna do another? When I get the next ones delivered? That was a very good question, Kurt. Yes, I'm waiting for a few more to get delivered, so I do an unboxing of a bunch at one go. Because it's not there's no point in unboxing 2 of them in just one video or like 3. I want to unbox a bunch, you know. But that's a good question. Try again. That was a good question. I'll try. What's this? Looks suspicious. I saw some purple, that's the thing. Alright, so yeah, I'll do something this this month, for sure. Hey, Juan, welcome. Uh-oh, what's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa! You have ghost pants? Yes, they're invisible.
Hey, is there a bathtub overflowing up there?
More specifically, a 7,000 cubic meter bathtub filled with protonically charged seawater. And, sea cucumbers?
Yeah, alright. I love these. Look, 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 look. The moment I approach them... Look, they're opening. You see they're opening? The flowers? Look at that. The moment I approach them, they're gonna like... They're very shy. Look. How cool, huh? It's the small details that matter. With the something strange in the neighborhood. Who are you gonna call? There's something over there. Oh, it's just a flower. Whoa! Whoa!
Ray, did you tell the recruit about semi-dimensional rift entities? This type of highly agitated environment is a likely manifestation point.
You see something's wrong with that lamp over there? Or whatever, chandelier, whatever it's called. And if I scan it... Whoa! Did you see that? It came to life. It came to life. Did you see that? I want to check Discord real quick. I want to see what Cheer did. Hold on. I want to check what Discord. What did it... Oh! How cool! How cool! That is an awesome... That is an awesome Slimer. I love it. That is awesome. And to celebrate, I'm gonna invite all of you to my Discord right now if you're not in my Discord. To celebrate. You're welcome in my Discord right now. The link expires in like, I don't know, 30 seconds. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. It expires though. So if you want to do it now. Do it now. Oh man. That is an awesome Slimer. If you want to check it out, there's the link to my Discord. It's so awesome. Alright, let's go. Oh. But they don't have a lot of health, look. The chandeliers, or whatever they're called. I'm being attacked! They're gone. I love how you vent your proton pack, look at this. And I have to vent it. You can see the gauge on the side, look, it's getting up, it's getting hotter and getting redder and redder and redder, and then I can vent it. How cool. Anyway, I get amused easily. I don't like that there's a chandelier over there. Are you gonna come to life? No. This is not the right way. Whoa! We need a vlog emoji. It's a good idea. I will try to work on taking a few pictures and get a nice one of my face. Like a funny one, of course. A vlog emoji. Oh, come on. We need a pantsu emoji. There is a no pantsu emoji already. There's already a no pantsu emoji. Maybe this way? Whoa! Splash, splash, splash. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! He took off. You see what he did? This is all an illusion. It's not really. This is not really water, and there isn't like all the sea stuff around this. It didn't really happen. This is just an illusion. Whoa! Who's attacking me? Whoa! They're shooting fire. Whoa! Whoa! Another one. Whoa. Run! I don't feel like dealing with these! Whoa, 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 get up! There it is. No, I've got one actually that says no pants. It's like an emoji with the sign. You know, like the Ghostbuster sign, but pants instead of a ghost. Is this a continuation of the... No, it's a new run. I started a new run. I started a new run. I actually never finished this game on stream. I have finished it. Oh, look. The water drain. A restaurant. Whoa. There he is. We're gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I need some help. I cannot do this on my own. Guys, there's like 4 Ghostbusters and there's only me catching this ghost. Why? I need backup. He took off. Ah, there they are. Lel, Toby, how are you, my friend? What were you playing anyway? What were you playing? What was the game?
You might really be the right person for this job.
Yes, you have destroyed a significant section of a 5-star New York hotel in just under 3 hours. Your mother and I are so proud. Aren't we, Egon?
He's got something. Let's try.
Man, I love Beckman. Your mother and I are so proud of you, aren't we, Egon? So awesome. Alright, so he took off again. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Yes, ghosts have a tendency of doing that, like grabbing stuff from around them and they make it to a body and turn it into like a golem.
It's generating a field of attraction so strong that it's able to reassemble its component parts.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, man, that was close. Out of here! Out of here!
Keep tearing it down.
So much junk and stuff around. Whoa! He's only after me. Why are you only after me? There you go. Oh, I need to get his head off. Ugh, there we go. Took his head off and bye, have a great time. Whoa! He's looking at chat. Hey, hey, Dada! Dada! Come watch some Ghostbusters. I'm gonna catch you. This one's for Dada. This catch is for Dada.
Aim high.
This catch is for Dada. Look, look, look. GG.
I thought it would be like knives and forks flying at me.
Dada, behave.
When knives and forks become a big
In
angry
chat.
giant,
Keep it
that's
clean.
really me not laughing. A lot.
Happens every day, right? Anybody here from Zetamore?
Oh, this is awesome. I'm gonna shut up now.
Guys, I'm right outside. And so is something else.
Gosh, we've missed you, partner. Glad you could make it. But first, how was Aida? Well, we had to make do with this new specimen here.
I've been trying to get here for over 4 hours, Peter. Traffic is a little blocked right now.
Wait. I know that thud.
Winston, what do you see out there?
It's big. It's clean and soft and white. And you all aren't gonna like it.
No, this is not possible. Not here, not now, not again.
It's awesome. He's back. The Stay Puft is back somehow. Why?
Wasn't me this time, I swear it.
Pull it together, Ray. What do we have that can stop that cheap confection?
Ray, weren't you going to finish up the install of the Super Slammer today?
The Super Slammer? Sounds untested. tacky and exciting. I'm in. But will it work?
Against the minions of a god? That was never the intent. And in theory, I suppose it could. But a muon trap of this capacity has never been used or even tried before.
Uh-huh. And why would that stop guys that don't know any better?
Yeah, man. What are we? The FDA?
We'll have to clear a path through this mess first.
Look at Stay Puft, he's just laughing.
Get moving! His residue is animated.
Whoa, 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 this is just... Okay, these are like roasted marshmallows or something.
Somehow hatching these mini minions for himself.
You see, they're like marshmallow on fire, look at that. What do you call those? S'mores? S'mores?
Meddlesome little yarpers. Yep, they look so darn tasty. Blast them!
Alright. There you go. Gone. He can generate them from his... Hold on. Let me find a better position. Alright. Look at Stay Puft's like, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna throw a car. Whoa!
Hey, more trouble!
Okay, it's probably generating more. What? Ghosts?
Multiple class 5 FRVs.
You know what FRVs are?
Ray, prepare the muon trap.
Full vapor. Full vapor. No, full roaming vapor, something like that. Alright. Get in there. Get in there, sucker! Come on, help me, Winston. It's nice to have you, by the way. Get in there. Give me the trap. There's another ghost over there. Oh, hold on. Bring the Ecto-1 here! Alright, awesome. The Ecto-1 has a trap at the top of it. Look at that. I won't have to throw the trap every single time. Look at this. Look, look. There you go. Did you see that? It looks like you didn't see it. I'm gonna do it again. Get in there!
All the ghosts you captured in the slammer, you can relinquish it.
See, it has a trap on the top of the car. That's fantastic. I love it.
Can you stop?
No, not if we're gonna catch up to our old friend.
Can you guys hear me when I'm shooting my proton stream, or is it too loud? Let me know. Gotcha. Whoa!
I dreaded you when you were alive. You weren't.
Take your time, John. EYT.
On the right!
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, man, there's these little... Okay, they're gone. Nope. Gotcha! Come with me in the trap.
You play hardball!
Soap shortage in the afterlife, guys?
Alright, we're here fine. That's fantastic. Because last time I streamed, it got really loud when I was shooting my proton stream, and like all of us, people couldn't hear me, and I didn't realize that. Like, I watched the stream afterwards to check the quality. But you learn as you go along. Alright, where do we go? Look at the truck! It's a Dorito truck! Look at this!
I'm detecting something significant.
How cool is that?
Behind us.
What is that? Am I hearing wings?
What? Oh, that's not good.
Class 6. Multiple contacts.
Alright. Okay, grab him and slam him. Okay. There we go. That's what you do. Alright. Now I know. And knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe!
And gargoyles.
Hey, that was a
Okay,
game.
there's no way you can drive the
Ghosts
Ecto-1 through
Game
here.
we played when I was
Everything's
in
blocked.
the seminary.
Ghosts and gargoyles. What dink game didn't you play? Do you have your 8-sided dice with you?
Don't cross the stream! in there.
I know there was an accident, right? On your left. Find some cover.
On your left. No, your other left. He actually does say that at one point. He's like, you'll never take me alive. No, we'll take you dead. Get in there. Come on, get in. Whoopsie. I think we crossed the streams. We crossed the streams, that's what happened.
I got a hold on it. Run!
Another one. Get in there. Giggity.
My favorite part of this job.
Nice.
What do we do?
It's not vaporizing fast enough. There's too much of it.
Man, you're starting to make good time.
I thought it couldn't become any harder to get around Manhattan. Any ideas?
Well, we're not getting through that way now.
Hey, cut through this alley. We might be able to head off Stay Puft.
We need to find a way around this mess.
See, it's either you or Egon, Ray, or Winston.
Look at this. If I stay in front of the Ecto one, they will be they will keep beeping the horn and the siren at me. Look. All right, you go through. Basically, can't go through. Haha. I'm gonna go through here. Why is this game about male Ghostbusters? We all know the original are women. Yeah, the women were the best, right? They tried. They tried.
Spooky.
The movie was okay. The movie, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna hate on the movie. Obviously, I prefer the original Ghostbusters. The movie was okay. But it's like saying eating a steak and eating a burger. They're both okay. I mean, they're both good. But the steak is way better than a burger.
Are you kidding me? Haunted laundromat?
Hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oops, oop, 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 oop. I did it. I did it. I went through. Come on. What's in here? This lunchbox looks suspicious.
See what's here.
See? It's haunted. Who saw Wonder Woman? I haven't seen it yet, no. I want to watch it, but I haven't watched it yet, no.
That looks like our ticket. That tank is leaking gas all over the place. That is a serious safety hazard, man.
I wanted to test these first, but since we're waiving that safety step today anyway, you should be aware that I modified the neutrona wand, which normally releases the particle stream.
Wow, it's like Christmas came early.
Earlier than what? They started Christmas before Halloween this year. Santa came to my house dressed as Dracula.
What? Alright. Okay. They were... What? The way it was... I can't read the sentence. They... Okay. It's not me. The way the Ghostbusters catch ghosts makes me think of fishing. Okay. I couldn't read that sentence. The way they. He said, the. Man, they gave me a hard time to read. Amazing. Anyway. I'm gonna shoot a boson dart, which is this one. No, it's not this one.
Boson dart should do the trick.
There we go. Stand back, stand back.
Want to stand back.
How far exactly?
Back.
Still nothing.
Way.
There we go. Goes the spear, guys.
Do I still have eyebrows?
Sample.
I said way back.
Do I still have eyebrows? Too much wine, V. No,
Nicely
I'm not
done.
having any, actually.
Great job, kid.
Yeah, combustible gasoline. It's the future. Egon, once again on the Super Slammer. I'll get it.
It's a prototype, Peter. You recall the memo from you about getting too many memos on prototypes?
Well, I did write them.
We mounted a high-expansion rapid cycle multiple ghost absorber. It's faster and larger than our portable units.
Am I in jeopardy?
That's alright, Jay, that's alright. But for a second I was like, why can't I read the sentence? I was worried.
Potentially.
Like,
but our exposure to interdimensional deities
genuinely
has been
worried.
only marginal
I was like,
to date,
I cannot even
so it would
English.
be wise to anticipate some
What's that sound? What's going on?
You know, for a big guy, he fights awful sneaky. We should tie a propeller on his neck.
Hey, Bork. Bork. Bork all you want.
Somebody needs a Ghostbuster.
I want to dress up as a Ghostbuster. Comic-Con.
Hindenburg, the opera. Wasn't that show shut down when the stage caught fire and killed the cast?
I read the reviews. Oh, the humanity. I had to say that.
That's right. Ruthless producers. They just reopened it last week. It's crackling. There must be something really bad about this place.
Grab a full scan.
Good idea.
It's this black stuff.
Guess that means we're not alone.
Look, if I step in it...
These are unusual filters.
See?
Whoa, wait! Don't touch that. That's what I thought. Black slime. Black slime is a hazardous form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul. Very dangerous. Egon and I haven't developed clothes and boots sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out.
You see? That's very dangerous.
Whoa! Watch yourself!
What? What's going on? The opera singer. Oh, she just wants to sing, man. She just wants to sing.
That lady's singing.
She is so over.
Looks like an opera singer. And a hefty one at that. Peter, you better take her.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm a chubby chaser? I take out one.
Whoopsie, look at that. I got a ghost. I get your ghost. And it's down. Give me more, please. Go. Where's the other one? There's the other one.
I don't have time for you right now, gargoyle! More of them!
Nice.
Okay, here they come! I'm on your side!
That's a nice start.
You own that sweet.
More ghosts.
Find some cover!
Now that hurt.
Run! Incoming!
Got another one. Get the trap ready.
Above you!
GG. Last ghost.
Stay! All mine!
Nice.
Just did a service to humanity, kid.
Fat man, fat girl down, fat girl down. And he sees like, she's your type. He's like, are you calling me a chubby chaser?
Times Square, post-urban renewal. All shiny and clean. I love it.
Say, is that him?
It's hard to miss.
Egon, how close do we have to get the big trap to reel him in?
A lot closer than this.
What's he up to now?
looking for something.
Is he looking for something or someone?
The story is so cool. Stay Puft is looking for something or someone.
If you can see behind me, the streets are in absolute chaos. Authorities are doing everything they can to quell the panic and maintain order. It is madness out here. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, star of the popular children's television show, is on a rampage. This is not the Stay Puft we've come to love. Fortunately, the Ghostbusters have arrived to put everything back to normal.
He's like, how close do we need to get to trap him?
Fix it or we
It's like a
won't
lot
stand a
closer than
chance.
this.
We need to get from here to there. Make sure the big boy doesn't find whatever he's looking for.
Good strategy. It's dangerous, though. That's a lot of open ground to cover.
All right, sport. Looks like it's me and you. Let's go across Times Square and get into the building Stay Puft is so interested in. You guys keep him off us if you think you can.
Oh, he's coming!
He knows
He's
you're there.
coming!
I don't
Oh
think
my
he likes
goodness!
it.
Yep, he
He's
spotted
coming.
us. Keep moving.
Oh my goodness! I'm gonna shoot him in the Penna's happy area.
Keep away from those feet. He'll stop you in
I'm
the
gonna shoot him
jelly.
in the happy area. Whoa!
Hit him with boson darts.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh wow.
Hit
Hit him with boson darts. I think I'm gonna have to hit him with the boson darts actually.
Nice boson. That really dinged him. Great job.
Shooting him in his happy place.
See if he wants more. Get it? I'm 22, you know. Here he comes. Evasive maneuvers. Stick close to me and as far away
Oh my
from
goodness,
him
he
as you
took
can.
off.
Venkman, you've got to distract him.
Mission failed. What?
Venkman, are you getting coffee? Venkman's getting
Ah
coffee.
man, I think he stepped on me or something. Look at that. Ah man. So, reload checkpoint. Let's try again. Forget the cutscene, I'm gonna keep it. We have to go through the music every single time I failed the mission.
Something strange in your neighbor.
Okay, let's try again. Cutscene. You gonna give me a cutscene again? Yeah.
If you can see behind me, the streets
Let's skip
are
this.
in absolute...
It's damaged. I've got to fix it or we won't stand a chance.
I'm gonna hang out with...
Make sure the big boy
Where is he?
doesn't find
I'm
whatever
gonna
he's
stick with you,
looking
man.
for.
Good strategy. It's dangerous, though. That's a lot of open ground to cover.
All right,
The
sport.
Bork Buster.
Looks like it's me and you. Let's go across Times Square and get into the building Stay Puft is so interested in. You guys keep him off us if you think you can.
He knows you're there, Ray. I don't think he likes it.
Yep, he spotted us. Keep moving. Keep away from those feet. He'll stomp you into jelly. Hit him. Nice boson. That really dinged him. Great job. Now see if he wants more. Get it? That's funny too,
See
you
if he
know.
wants more. I'm following you, Ray.
Here he comes. Evasive maneuvers. Stick close to me and as far away from him as you can.
Is this the building he was going through? Whoa!
Venkman, you've got to distract him. Venkman, are you getting coffee? Venkman's getting coffee. Boson darts should do the trick. Stay on your toes. Follow me, quick. Draw him over here.
I don't think I need to draw him. I think he'll just come. Yeah, he's right behind me.
Soften them up with your boson
Trying,
darts.
I'm trying!
That's some serious bad juju, kid. There's our way in. Break for it.
We're indoors, we're safe.
It's okay, Ghostbusters. Just a level 5 thought form cross rip. The professionals are here. Everybody calmly exit the street. Make no sudden movements. What the? Give it to him.
Nice.
Technically a fireable offense, Junior.
Where is he? Where's Stay Puft? I don't see him. I think I kept on going. Hey, Sakura! How are you, Sakura? Do I get the elevator or something? No. No. Push buttons? No. No. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
That's not friendly.
Where do I go?
Run a full scan. Uh-oh. He didn't find what he was looking for on the bottom floors. Come on. We've got to get to the top floors.
Alright, so. Let's see how we're gonna deal with Stay Puft.
All full. Going up. He just passed gas. Catch the next one.
Relax, sir. We handle foul vapors all the time.
Just passed some gas, he said. Take the next one.
Let's stay in for lunch, you said. Why leave the building, you said. It'll be quiet, you said. You know you're fired.
You're right. I secretly knew our lives would be in danger and thought, hey, I'll make sure I trap Mark with me inside an elevator!
Excuse us? Stay with me, Haas. I'm sure there's more fun up ahead.
Why can't I go?
Oh, I missed it. Keep an eye out.
Hello, Saranya. Hello. Nice to see you. Welcome. Playing some Ghostbusters today for a nice change. I love me some Ghostbusters.
Uh-oh. No sudden movements. Okay, it sure got quiet all of a sudden.
No sudden movements. No sudden movements.
Your PKE is going off.
Yeah, wow, yeah, it is. Whoa!
They're in the vents! They're in the vents! Turn around! Get out of here!
Behind you, Ray! Uh-oh. Oopsie.
It's on your left! Watch out, they're smart!
There's so many of them! Yeah, I think the boson dart is really fast. It's like the shotgun of this game.
Covered in marshmallow minion goo! Dave Buck is working overtime generating these little things.
Are they gone?
Egon and I were talking about creating minions to get more work done in the lab. Maybe they could be domesticated, like Slimer.
Do you really have ghosts in New York? Hmm? Do you really have ghosts in New York?
Speed it up there, Tiger.
Okay, okay. Just trying to keep Manhattan clear. Come on, let's go.
Good shooting.
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, look at all of those! So many!
Ready to be a hero?
Parachutes into stream. Yay! Now I can talk and chat. Was lurking. Hey, Gideon!
There,
Nice to
Tiger.
see you.
Let's go.
I like the view. Whoa!
Beckman, come in, please. There's pandemonium up here. Chunks of the building missing everywhere. You are required at the site now.
So happy to be in demand, but these sugar balls have got me nailed down. I can't get past them. They're disgusting, and they're unhealthy.
Did I mention there's a spectacularly beautiful lady in distress?
I'll be right there.
It's so awesome, man. I'll be right there. Oh, man. Alright, let's go.
Alright, showtime.
There actually is a lady.
No!
There is a lady.
Easy now, miss. Just relax. No sudden movements. You're perfectly safe now. Sudden movements! Sudden movements!
Ooh. Snape off the salty. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uh-oh! Here they come!
There's a gargoyle somewhere. Where is it? Nice
Wow,
game choice,
check
Blood.
it
The
out,
first time
kid.
for me to see this.
What
That's
a
why I
view,
played
huh?
it. It's such an
Manhattan.
awesome game
I
that people are
love it.
not familiar with this. I mean, not a lot. I mean, but there's still so many people that have missed out on this game, and it's so good. So much effort and love was put into this game. So much attention to detail and everything. Like they actually hired the actual cast to write the story and record the voices and do the faces. Yeah, exactly. It's Dan Aykroyd. Dan Aykroyd did, and Harold Ramis actually wrote the story for this game. So consider this Ghostbusters 3 because it's a sequel to the first two, but it came in a video game form.
Nothing to worry about, folks.
There she is. He's here?
It's okay. Dr. Beckman has you. You're fine now.
You didn't spill your coffee, did you, Peter?
Ray, I got coffee for all of us. but the little monster spilled it. And what's the story with those things anyway?
What? Was that a manifestation of Gozer?
Yeah, probably. It just may be. Could be. Would you like to take the most direct route out of here, or the scenic route to its lady's choice?
There's a stairwell over here. Let's go.
Woo! Yeah, grace under pressure. I appreciate that in a lady.
Okay, Slugger, let's you and me do this quick and quiet before Tubby Soft Squeeze out there figures out what we're up to.
I think Tubby Soft Squeeze has dog ears, Ray.
Oh man. Venkman's flirting skills are just fantastic. Aren't you supposed to go at the top? Are we gonna escape this way? Whoa!
We're not getting out of here that way.
Well, it was a good plan for a second.
Okay, let's think. What did people do before stairs? Was it ladders or just jumping from rock to rock?
We go up then, to the roof.
The conversation is epic. Whoa! Is she following us? Yes. This girl is voiced by Alyssa Milano, by the way. Just so you know. So no wonder Peter's flirting with her.
Well, hello there.
Oh, Stay Puft spotted us. Move, move.
Are we on the 35th floor? Well, yes, we are. Wow.
Not much longer, Cadet.
Where's Alyssa? Where's Alyssa Milano? Actually, in the game she's called Alyssa as well, huh? Where's she? I don't know. I missed her.
That way.
Oh, that's...
Ah, there she is.
Come on, let's go.
Find a way off the rooftop. Okay. Whoa! Am I stuck? Oh yeah. Okay.
Get that one in the books. Whites of their eyes.
Two of them.
Where do you think you're going?
Yeah, where do you think you're going? There's one place you're going, my friend. And that is inside my trap. Man, catching them in the trap is so satisfying. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying dragging them inside the trap. Come over here. Look, I'm gonna slam into this trap now. This is not mine, this trap, but it's fine.
Ow! That was ow!
Come on.
They felt that one in Pittsburgh.
Oh, alright, I'm not doing this apparently. Come on!
Okay, nice and easy now.
Get in the trap!
Now that hurt. You've got him on the ropes.
GG. It's not mine, is it? No.
Oh no!
There's more? Wow, there's another one. Two of them. Come on, get in there! Nice. And you're next, my friend.
Keep it going.
I gotcha. I gotcha. Where is he?
Look behind you.
Did they catch him? There he is.
Not me, them.
Get in the trap. Get in the trap, sucker. Nice one.
I don't mean to alarm you, but we have lost sight of Stay Puft.
Strong signal.
Alright, we're done. Find a way up the rooftop. going on? What is happening? Oh my goodness, stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back. Whoa!
Nice attention!
Bye!
That's how you do it. Great job, you guys. Ah! Free s'mores for everybody from 54th Street to 5th Avenue. Happy Thanksgiving!
Here he goes! Big Evil Sailor all the way to the... Oh! Not quite. Didn't make it. Hey, Ray, say 3 guys, the size of your finger, knocked you off the side of a 30-story building and you had to climb all the way back up to tear them apart. How mad would you be at those 3 little dinky types?
I'd go with mighty pissed.
Okay, and throw in a sugar high, too.
That giant blue and white toy man thing, or whatever, is still coming. It's climbing the building.
I'm impressed with his agility, considering his complete lack of bones.
Good news. We've got the Super Slammer back on pulse and Ecto 1 is rolling. We're repositioning now. Can you hold the Stay Puft there for a few minutes?
If by few you mean less than 1, then sure, we can do that.
Hey, did somebody tell you it was break time?
No sweat, kid. We've got you.
Well, as long as you're down there, would you see if you could knock off Mr. Sweetness?
So my character fell off the building and they're holding him with these ropes. It's like, okay, so you take care of this now. And he's climbing up!
All right there, Sunshine. Are you okay? You're all strapped in. We've got a good tight grip on your belt. Here he comes, the Big Daddy manifestation himself, a raging blob of densely packed marshmallow. Oh boy, melt him, Chief! Give him full screen!
He's right, Rookie. Your health insurance doesn't begin for another 89 days.
More of those minis. How many can he generate?
From 200,000 square feet of solid marshmallow? Probably 60.
Boson darts should do the trick.
Is that his upset look? What do you think?
Oh, that was not ideal.
Soften him up with your boson darts. Hit him with boson darts. Pepper him with boson darts.
Yeah, he is getting roasted, yes. Tim, you know it. Alright, just one more, just one more. Come on! Come on, get closer. Get closer, come on. Come get me. Come on. It's too close now.
Got him on the ropes, Lobster.
Have a great time! Look at the mess he made with Marshmallow.
You've killed my dessert!
Scoreboard reads Ghostbusters 2, Gozer the Gozerian 0. Looking like a real big leaguer out there, champ.
Ray, Peter, we're in position. The trap is set. We're prepared to capture Stay Puft. Where is he?
He's that white puddle you're driving through?
Timing's off by just a hair, Egon, but we're glad the trap is working again.
It's so good.
I guess I owe you guys my life.
She's clean.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. All extremely weird things considered.
So far, just another screwed up day at the office. You know, I never forget a face attached to all the rest of that. I think we met earlier at the Sedgwick Hotel. You gave me the sideshow chicken drop.
My name's Alyssa. Dr. Alyssa Selwyn. And
I am Dr. Peter Venkman. And that's Egon. It's Ray, Winston, and you met him.
Uh-huh. The Ghostbusters.
Have you ever been involved in this type of quantum temporal rift event before?
A quantum what?
It's called arcing, a large pulse of psychic energy.
Actually, yes. I was at the museum. A pulse of blue light surged through the building, and then I was standing outside a room on the 13th floor of an old hotel.
The Sedgwick.
The Sedgwick doesn't have a 13th floor.
It was pulling me like a magnet. I felt as though I was in a deep dream. I came to and ran over here.
Here?
It's a temporary office while I'm in town. I came to do some research after I woke up.
We'd like you to come to our lab so we can run some brief tests and ask you more questions.
Here's an easy one. Would you like to go out for Thai? Mexican? Japanese?
Wow, Dr. Venkman. That time you almost went 45 seconds without saying something abrasive. Want to try for a whole minute next time?
A doctor, and a fiery one, too. Charming. So charming.
Alright. Alright, let's look around a little bit. Oh, he's playing the video game again. Ah, yo. I'm gonna play some Qbert. What is this? Look at this! Look at this, look at this, look at this! Hang on, I need to get closer to it. Look at that! Employee of the month! They're all Peter Venkman! Oh my god, they're actual images! No, they're not Peter. July is Winston. But all of them is just... Oh man, 9 days without a reportable accident. Oh man, that is so good. And there's actual images from... that is actually... Oh man. Oh, that's Bill Murray over there. So good. So many things in this happy birthday or something. There's pizza. So many references to the movies. Look at the coffee mug. I want that coffee mug. I don't have a Ghostbusters coffee mug. I think I'll make a purchase after the stream. I want that Ghostbusters coffee mug. It looks so good. And I want it exactly like that. Black with the logo. For work. I'll do that. There's a planet Mercury for some reason. Oh, they're experimenting on her. Okay. Winston's just staring at the game over screen. Look. The congratulations. It says, hold on, let me see if I can. Come on. Congratulations! He's staring at us like, what? Cheer has the most points now. Definitely. I am in the pants of the world! Let me see how many points you have. Hold on. How many points do you have, Cheer? 400. I think I'm gonna fix something. And hold on. I'm gonna fix something with the... Because you can only check once every 5 minutes. That's stupid. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Bear with me. Once every 2 minutes, actually. 0. Save. Alright, it's down to 0. So you can check every single time now. You can check every single time. I'm gonna check real quick as well. Pantsu. What are pants points? It's a currency, Danica. The more you interact in chat, it identifies how long you've been in chat. Like you've been in the stream. Like for example, Vloggybuddy, you watch the stream for 2 hours. Obviously, I'm not very active in the stream, in the chat because I'm playing. But the times I've been in, it says 2 hours and I gathered 125 pants points. You see? Cheer watched the stream for 7 hours and gathered 487 points. Cheer, if you Cheer, here's the game. If you get 1,000 pants points, alright, so be careful how you save them up. If you get 1,000 pants points, I'll mod you. Do we have a deal? You get 1,000 pants points and I'll mod you. Alright. So that's what it is. Danica, do exclamation mark pants as well, so we can check how many points you have. And let's go. Let's continue playing the game.
So you know so much about Gozer because...
Because I'm a specialist in ancient Mesopotamian cultures and architecture. Sumerian primarily. Gozerian more specifically. I'm here as a guest curator for the Gozerian exhibit that's opening tomorrow at the Natural History Museum.
You are aware that we also have some history with Gozer.
Yes, of course.
Gozer was a bush leaguer before he met us. A strictly farm team deity. We put him on the map.
But our getting stiffed on invites to opening night, just an oversight, right?
I don't have anything to do with that.
That, gentlemen, was all me. And I can assure you it was not an oversight.
Oh, by the way, you have visitors.
Thanks, Janine. You're a first-class lookout. Walter Peck. I did not recognize you without the mayor's backside attached to your nose.
Okay, everybody put them back in their skivvies. Apologies. Dr. Selwyn, are you all right?
I think so, but I'm worried about the exhibit.
Are you kidding? You can't buy publicity like this. The guest curator of the Gozer exhibit, the expert Peck recommended, is attacked the night before the opening by Gozer himself? Please, tell me that was Gozer.
Gozer manifested in a familiar form, one he had used before, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, but this event was weaker than his first encounter with us.
Ha! That's all I need, thanks.
Come on, Jock. What's the idea of bringing Peck around here? Oh, have I coughed at the wrong time?
Listen, here's the deal. You and Peck and all you guys are going to work together.
What? No way, no how.
Impossible.
Look, this city has given you at least a dozen contracts for the jails, courthouses, and wharves. You guys want to grow your business. Get some county and state work, too. I'm all for it. You've been big supporters and great for my campaign.
Well, some have said our endorsement is what got you elected.
But not out loud. Anyway, after all the damage you've been causing lately, the city council wants you under close supervision for a period of no less than 6 months.
We file reports on time. There's no need for extra supervision.
Funny guy, Venkman. You've always been my favorite. Well, that's where your old friend Peck comes in. He's annoying, a stickler for the rules. In other words, the perfect Peck for the job. He's our new head of Peacock.
Peacock?
PCOC, Paranormal Contracts Oversight Commission. And my first official act is going to be suspending you clowns' operating license.
Lighten up, Peck. Launch your investigation if you have to, but for now just keep them under control and my office in the loop. But remember, if the Ghostbusters cease to exist, so does your job. So you need each other. Beautiful in an ironic, symmetrical kind of way, isn't it?
Hey, Mulligan, come on.
It's Mayor Mulligan to you, Venkman. So, we have an understanding? This kind of protects us all. You want more government business, I want to keep my approval rating, and Peck wants his little fiefdom. You play by the rules. Easy. We all get what we want, and the city council gets what they need. Okay, big night tomorrow, Alyssa. Get some rest.
So, now that we're all friends, can we get invites to the museum opening?
Not likely. But I'll be seeing you soon. You can count on
that. I love that they introduced the mayor as well as characters.
Doesn't Peck
and Peck from the first movie as well.
Guy who'd accidentally walk into the stream of a Bosun glider. I'm just saying it could happen.
All right, so yeah, Danica. So with pants points, I'm going to invent some sort of. I'm gonna make up some sort of reward for people that reach a certain amount of pants for sure. But you don't get pants, no. We are anti-pants actually here. We're just calling the currency pants. So you can bet, you can gamble your points. Bet 69. Let's see. I want to see this. I want to see this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right. Danica has 32 pants points. Come on, Emily. Let's see.
Oh, it won't be necessary to.
Is 69 your lucky number, or is it gonna like boo? Come on. Why is it not working? Oh, you won 1 it is your lucky number, Emily. Alright, but yeah, you have to be very careful when you bet. You have to be very careful when you bet your pants, because they're hard to earn, as you can see. Alright? For example, Emily's been watching for 2 hours, you got 168 pants points. You can just lose them. It never fails me. Emily. So yeah, it's hard to earn them, so be careful when... Oh, hold on. It's actually one black. So yeah, be careful when you bet. But you can... Let me go again. Let me see how many I have first. I should be playing the game, not this. You should be playing Ghostbusters, not this. I'm so stupid. So I have 126. I'm gonna bet those 26. Let's see. Bet 26. Yes, you earn them by talking. Ooh, I won. I got 52 now. Nice. So yeah, you earn by talking in chat. So Danica, if you've been watching the stream for like 6 hours but you weren't active in chat, there's no way to tell that for the system to recognize that. You see? So be careful. Let's go. Let's keep playing. More cutscene.
Ray and I have been talking.
And we think we should have a look at the museum. Whatever happened tonight, it started there.
Okay. I'll take one for the team. Stay with Ilsa. You guys go with Winston and the recruit. I'll be your personal protection.
What about Peck? He's supposed to be informed of everything we do.
What he doesn't know can't hurt us.
Emily.
Hey guys, you need to make a detour. Something big is going down. It's on 1010 Winds now.
Tune it in.
And another ghostly sighting has staff at the New York Public Library scrambling for answers.
The Gray Lady.
Let's get her for real this time.
Well, what about the museum?
It's been there for 104 years. Where's it gonna go today?
This thing you guys have for the Gray Lady borders on the wheel. You know that, right?
She made us look like schmucks. Not this time.
Oh, and another thing, Pat called and says that I'm required to tell him where you are and what you are up to.
Tell him he can meet us at the museum. We'll be there. Eventually.
What, did the stream freeze? Did something happen? What happened? So we are at the New York Public Library, another landmark I would like to visit when I go to New York. Look at this, how cool.
Big crowd. Venkman would love this.
Captain McMahon from the 12th says there was a massive disturbance.
So yeah, apparently they saw some ghosts in the New York Public Library. Again, like the first.
Maybe.
Like the first
but
movie.
Didn't there used to be 2 lions out here?
Check for valences.
Interesting. Ray, take a look at this.
Wow, big spikes. Hey, Cadet, you need to see this.
Whoa!
Stand back.
Look out! There they go!
Double full torso animators! Come on, after them!
You heard Stance, let's move!
Oh, okay. Nice captain feels like the stream freezes. Seriously? I didn't know this. So anyway, yeah, that's my sister. Apparently she knows how to cook, and that's how she's keeping her boyfriend happy with food. Forky, leave that for me, not Vloggy Buddy. He will only give you a pack of noodles. No, I can cook. I can cook. One day, guys, look at this. I'm saying this officially, alright? You guys are on stream, whoever is here and listening to this, official. I will do a cooking stream one day, okay? We got this. I will do a cooking stream. I will set up my computer in my kitchen and I'll cook. But I won't tell you when, because it's I need to have proper setup. But I will do it. A cooking stream.
Class 5 animators. Never seen them in tandem like that. They're really agitated.
Switching on
I got
the
a beep boop beep. Ugh. Alright. Let's go. I love how the proton pack lights up. Look at that. It takes turns. I like that. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, let's go. Nothing wrong with this statue. Completely normal. Burning down the house. Not because Danica knows how to cook. No, because Danica knows how to cook, she thinks nobody can. Come on, Danica, come on. Now that I think about it, I don't think I've ever eaten anything from Danica's kitchen.
Miss! Damn!
Sorry, Z.
How about a little warning next time, fellas?
That one's a beast, Ray. Let's chase him down. Winston, check that next doorway. See if he has any friends.
Leave a haunted room. I got no problem with that.
Hey, Cadet. To use the shock blaster, it's best to get in fairly close. Its effects are powerful, but dissipate quickly over distance.
And please be careful. It's a prototype. We're trusting you with it.
The stasis stream will temporarily slow down paranormal entities. If you train the stream on the target long enough, you can actually stop it entirely.
This is how you use it.
Alright, I love the stasis stream. He's going to introduce a new thing in the proton pack here. It's called the stasis stream. Look at this. It's going to get an upgrade. Look at the proton pack. Hold on. You see that? Turned blue now, the proton pack. It's so cool. Anyway, and the stasis stream. Oh, that's the other thing. And this is like
a stasis stream. This has nothing to do with cold, but the effect is similar.
When do you have the time to work on all this stuff, Egon?
I've been conducting an experiment in which I sleep an average 14 minutes a day. Leaves me a lot of time to work.
Great. Ready to roll. Hey, Haas, you think you can handle that little fella yourself? We'll meet you back here.
Alright, so you see that? I have to be in Malta when you do the cooking stream. I'll keep an eye on you. It would be awesome, actually, yes, having Danica on stream. It would be awesome. It's true. It is true.
See what's here.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did he just take off? Winston! Was there a demo of this game? I don't know. Where's Winston? Sorry, I'm being quiet. There was a demo of this game I used to play on the PS3. Seriously? I didn't know that. I'm trying to figure out. Found you, sucker! Oh, come on. Some snails. Don't call them snails. They're called escargots. I don't know how to pronounce, but Snail sounds really... But yeah, they are snails. What's this? What is this? I'm not so sure where I need to go. Yeah, but snails are a delicacy actually, or escargots, or whatever it's pronounced. But I find them gross, so I will never eat them. We'll give you the shits. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Yeah, there's Limey. Like Slimer.
Stay alert. Keep your PKE meter up. Animators can hide in anything. Hey! Ugly just shot around that corner!
Grasshoppers. Alright, that's new. Ah, this room is safe.
Hey, Bloodhound, we're up here, to your right!
There you are.
Strong emanation.
Hey, buddies.
No direct source, though.
Hey, colleagues.
Followed our guy in here.
Hey. I want to be a real
Detecting a very
Ghostbuster.
strong anomaly here.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, here comes something big.
See, this is the same thing I was telling earlier. Like, they like to gather stuff from around them and use it as like a giant body. Oh!
Egon, did I mention what a good idea you had?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, of course. My colleagues are on the balcony.
Slow it down!
Oh, I can slow it down, exactly. I can use my new stasis stream. Open up stasis stream. There we go. Are you ready? Freeze up, buddy.
Slow it down somehow.
There we go.
It's losing strength. Keep tearing it
I can
down.
slow him down with this stream.
Power is emanating from a single focal object.
There we go.
We got it! Fantastic! Man, how much PK energy must it take to collect and animate an entity like that?
A lot. A lot of very angry energy.
How easy was that?
Wait, not so fast. I'm getting some big fluxes here.
I think it's her. Yes! Yes,
Who?
it is her!
Oh, look at that!
Connor Twitty, the librarian!
Look, there she is. Meet us at the stairway door.
Yeah, it's the same ghost from
She went down that way.
Winston, check upstairs to
it's
see
the same
if the
ghost from the first movie.
back. Roger.
The librarian. There she is.
She shushed us again. That witch.
She shushed us again. That witch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I didn't do that. That wasn't me. Well, you make a mess, Ghost. I don't like that the doors close behind me.
Ease out and try to be quiet.
Oh, come on, man, really?
Oh, wow, a full stabilizing levitation. I'd say we're close to something.
Ray,
You got something?
I've got something right here.
Kid, check that out.
Oh, I got a scan.
Ooh, she keeps shushing us. That's her, the Gray Lady. She's the first ghost we ever hunted. Man, I
Yeah,
wish
even
Venkman
Stay
was
Puft from
here.
the first movie, exactly.
I'm pretty sure Venkman doesn't.
Easy now. She's real skittish.
Look at the book there. Oh,
damn. Lost it.
Let's go. We'll cut her off.
Her off, okay.
These readings are off the charts. Charts.
Wow! Now listen, this place is reading like a psychic pressure cooker. Prime your thrower. Everybody stick close together. What was that?
Here, this way, quick!
So much for our plan to stick together.
Okay, so much for stick together. New plan is fan out.
He just said the same thing I did! And I didn't know that. I mean, I didn't know that, honestly.
Two that we know about.
And then he goes, nope, new plan, fan out. You know, Danica, when I went to London, I bought the Blu-ray DVDs of Blu-ray DVDs, the Blu-rays of Ghostbusters. And that was a while ago, and I still have them sealed. I still haven't watched them.
Now I got you. What? Oh no, kid, look out!
Right,
It's
wait.
coming your way.
Okay. This is where the game gets a bit kind of scary.
Temperature's dropping. Event imminent. Brace yourselves.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Run, 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 run.
Guys, I'm in the periodical archives looking at a stack of old newspaper clippings, all about some nut named Edmund Hoover, a.k.a. the Collector. Go on. This dude has a history you should know about. He was a rare book collector who seduced Eleanor...
Yeah, it does get spooky
the
in
head
here. Yeah, it
librarian
does.
of this place.
The Gray Lady?
That would be my guess.
I'm locked in here. I'm trapped. What the? What just happened? It gets Borky. Tobe. Can I make a run for it? Can I make a run for it? Run for it, Marty! Come back here. Oh! Oh, man. Did you see that? Can I destroy this? No. Oh, look at the books, neatly stacked. I must not. Okay, I didn't do that. No, it's not as scary as Resident Evil. Resident Evil is not even scary. You should see Resident Evil 7. I mean, it doesn't scare me anymore, of course, but Resident Evil 7 is good. Who's that guy over there? Whoa, oops. I blasted myself. Who's that guy over there? I don't know. What is going on?
Okay, guys, it's dead up here. The good kind of me. You all cool? We may need to get
It's
back
dead
to
in
our
here. Like the good kind of dead, though. Hello, anybody here? Hello?
Hey kid, what's your 20? I'm in some kind of a dark tunnel moving fast towards a bright light.
Whoa.
Oof! Class 1 swarmers! Pesky but combustible.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Flying books.
You've got him on the ropes!
Come on.
Now, where's that Class 5 animator? I tracked the slut here. There's the big
This is the responsible for. This is
Give him a
the
new
ghost
home
responsible for the
in
flying
our
ghost. This guy.
containment facility.
This guy over here. I'm gonna get you.
Throw your trap!
Why I trap? I still haven't. Now I throw my trap. Are you ready? Are you ready to go inside the hole? Bye, have a great time! Get in there. Oh no, the other ghost defended him. Okay, no problem. I got him. Oh, seriously? Alright, okay. So there's two ghosts. Somebody just defended the other one.
Uh-oh! Here they come!
Where's the other one?
Just don't do it. Hey, it's taunting me!
They're twins. Huh? Whoa. This guy. Whoa, come on, man.
Eyes high!
Okay, you're coming with me. Inside the trap. Get in there.
Ow, creep! Whoa! Look at them all! I'm on your team! Slime! Yeah!
Oh, I got him.
How easy was that?
One is down. Whoopsie. Oh, I got him! Come with me! Oh, he got away.
Turn around!
This way. Oh, get in the trap. You're going down, pal. GG! Haha!
One more in the box!
Oh, did you see, Danica, did you see the Funko Pop I bought? An Nemesis one?
That took some doing.
Congratulations, Ray. But I'm near Special Collections. Someone you've been wanting to meet again is here.
We're on our way! Keep an eye on the twitchy ones. They'll really crease you if you aren't careful. Any damage? Watch it! Get him!
Get him, I got two of them. Mind the paper cuts.
You rang his bell, cadet. I like your style, kid. Oh! Whites in their eyes, kid. Wow, very impressive. Bang!
Wow, we're really struggling with these lame ghosts.
Looks like the Grey Lady makes her own reinforcements. Keep your eyes open, team. She's upping the ante.
Thanks for the warning, Ray. But I have no idea what you're talking about.
You may want to just take our word for it.
You lost, Timothy Boo. Uh-oh. Is that it? There she is.
There she is. Let's get a solid scan.
I missed that, Ray. Please repeat.
Enough with the shushing!
Enough with the shushing!
Could not hear a word of that, Ray. Ray.
Where do we go? think this door was open before. Oh, okay.
Bad idea. Don't talk to me. Running in a pack.
Whoa. What other games? Resident Evil is one of them, damn. Resident Evil is one of them. Actually, like 8 of them. I play all the Resident Evils. In fact, yes. Oh, actually, you watched me. I was gonna say yesterday. You watched me. I like Resident Evil 1, 2, 3, Outbreak. I like 4, but I don't consider it a Resident Evil game. I don't play 5 that much. 6 with Sakura. And 7 by myself.
Winston,
I like Pokemon.
In the periodical section. Checking the box scores from the Knicks game last night. Why?
tell us more about this collector, Winston.
Says here that this collector used the Gray Lady to get to the rare books in her care. Specifically, a book called, get this, the Gozerian Codex.
Great.
Yeah, and when she found out what he was up to, she dumped him.
Smart lady.
Not really. Evidently, he murdered her for it.
Uh-oh.
The Gray Lady was his first victim, but he killed a bunch more.
And let me guess, he collected their bodies, just like he collected books?
Bingo! Ray, you get to buy me dinner. And here's the last on the collector. Seconds before he was hanged, he said he would return as Azet Lord, some sort of god, to keep watch over the library and every rare book in its collection.
Sounds like quite the bookworm.
Sounds like the kind we run into all the time.
Alright. Follow the librarian ghost.
See what's here.
What the heck? Did you guys see that?
Okay, I'm not saying that's
Did you see that? There was like a panda plushie,
but it sure
and it was walking
one.
around.
Jeez!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
That'll only hurt for a minute.
It's like we knocked each other out. Okay, come on, Ray. Can you handle the other one? No? So this way, yes? Yes, see?
You hear that? It's around here someplace. Uh-huh. Somebody's in here. It's children. What are they saying?
Gotcha, you panda.
I think they're trying to tell us something.
Don't you scare me like that, panda. You creep me out. But look at all the slime.
Bye.
You got that right, Scooter. Here's the place. Special collections. These rooms are packed with rare and valuable volumes. Okay, she's in here with Egon. No noise.
Oh, there she is.
Oh boy.
It's like they're throwing the whole
come on,
science
seriously?
fiction section.
Can't pass through the shield!
Their shields. Use the capture stream on their shields.
Remember how you were saying Print was dead?
I wish.
Oh my goodness,
Now
Cheer!
where'd she go?
Seriously?
Evidence
Oh,
is up.
Cheer!
She definitely left a trace somewhere.
No, Cheer! You lost everything, Cheer.
Big
Oh
spike.
no, Cheer!
Right here.
Come on, you gambled and you lost
Yeah,
everything.
check this out. I feel a breeze. Oh, cool. Secret passages. These are great.
No way, Cheer. I can get it
didn't even
easy.
know this area
That's the
existed.
spirit.
Looks like the jam
That's
was
the
in
spirit, Cheer.
the last 80 years anyway.
Oh man, I feel sorry for you. I promised you, if you get 1,000, like you need 1,000 points for me to mod you, huh? Huh? Whoa! 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 The reason why I don't mod most of you is because I don't want to have lots of mod walls. That's why, and it usually intimidates new viewers. Like so many mod walls, so many mods. Everybody thinks it's like they would think it's
No.
a private party or
They're in the
something like that. I
revised
don't want
Etheria
that.
catalog. I think the
Get out of my
Grail
way,
is
Egon!
the books and minor spirits here. She may be more powerful than we thought.
Cheer is a positive person. Yes, he is a very positive person. Very optimistic. Yes, it's true, Cheer. It's true. Yes, it's true. Back in the day, Cheer already had a wrench. He's like, you know what? I will sacrifice my wrench for someone else. And he did. It's true.
Take a look.
And
at
again,
this
I mean,
place.
it's not like I
could
want to
spend
mod
a
one
month
and
taking inventory
mod one
of these
person and not
books.
the other. It's just because
Let's be very
I don't want to
careful
have
what
too
we
much
wish for
blue
down here, Ray.
in the chat. That's why.
We should tell Winston to get down here. We could probably use his help.
I've been trying to raise him. There's too much interference.
What are we doing here? What's all this? What is this? Ooh, look at that.
Take a scan. See what you...
Wow. Dig that.
Ray, I'm not entirely convinced this is the best course of action.
Hey, I'll bet this is a trap.
Welcome back, Ray.
Whoa, look at that. Look at Danica enjoying her points.
That's trouble.
But be careful. Well, at least... Oh, come on, seriously, come on. At least, we're 3 Ghostbusters now in this room. It's not just me. I mean, that's not saying much anyway, but... You know.
I'm having serious doubts about the structural integrity of this sub-basement. It's moving again!
Over to the left.
Pull the same trick twice.
Moving.
I'm telling you, the substructure is unstable. The ceiling could come down on top of us.
Our low probe experiment is working. You're clairvoyant.
No, I saw the support column.
Oh, come on. Oh, there's ghosts now as well?
I strongly advise against crossing the stream. To the right!
Gotcha! Down tonight!
Time for a trap, sport.
Bye, have a great time!
Not much longer.
Trap them.
You don't see too much blue. No, but sometimes it does get very blue. No. Oh, look at that. She's back.
Over there. Oh boy.
Hey, girl.
Creepy.
Where is she? Oh, I know how to do this.
Keep moving.
Those beams are wet solid.
Let's do this.
Good place for the capture stream.
There we go. That's one.
That's excellent.
That's two.
Wonder what's down there.
Something big, and more than likely terrifying.
It's really dark down there. Damn, too.
Wonderful. Hope you don't have any open cuts. I'm thinking flesh-eating bacteria.
That's an electric lock on the door.
Alright, I'm gonna take care of the
See
electric
if you can
lock.
find the power.
Great, the recruit found it. I wonder if it's a good idea to be standing in 1.5 feet of water.
That didn't last long.
That didn't last long. Hey, Vladimir, welcome, and we're dealing with a new monster. And let's jump my staircase stream. There we go. Why are you after me only? You're only after me. I don't like that.
Scan that.
Slowing him down with my stasis stream. Hey, C4, welcome. Gonna watch, lurk, and eat pizza. Ah, I miss pizza. I've been dieting a week and I'm already missing pizza. But no.
Recruit, you okay?
Let's keep moving.
Let's keep moving.
This game has excellent dialogue. Even if I just had to be quiet the whole stream, it's still entertaining to watch.
This is cheery.
This is cheery.
Nice place. Nothing bad could ever happen in here.
There she is! Flank her! She's got nowhere to run! Except through the grate.
I'm not clear on how the flanking was supposed to work.
And there we go again. More golems.
Oh boy, burning coal. 2 of them this time.
You know what? Burning coal, let's use some stasis. Uh-oh. One? Where's the other one? stasis stream. Come on, give me stasis stream.
Watch out, would you?
It's done. Alright. Bye.
Gotta bag the Grey Lady before this gets really dangerous.
We may have missed that window, Ray.
Well, we can't follow her through that grate. Is there another way?
Seems like it's up to me to look for another way. Oh, look at that. Aha. Scan. There we go.
See if you can pick up a signal.
What you find there, young blood? Good work. Spangler, the kid found the exit.
You're about to find out, C4, just now, look.
I added something new to the pack. This is the PDS, Plasm Distribution System. Basically, it's Slime Blower Mark II, heavily modified from the earlier version. Your plasm banks are now integrated into the proton pack. It uses a base culture of ectoplasm that can impair entities, cause caustic black slime to go inert, and reveal otherwise invisible ethereal structures that reside on this plane.
To use the slime blower, just point and squirt. It'll help neutralize any active batches of black slime. It'll close any portals they're opening too.
There you go. Can you get hurt in this game? Like, yes, I do. All right, let me just explain everything what's going on in the proton pack. In the proton pack, you have everything. You can monitor your health. My health is. You see the 3 little dots lighting up, and there's like 2 green bars at the top. That's my health. All right. If that goes down, I'm dead. Then, when I shoot my my proton stream, you will notice that there's a line going up. Look, you see a line going up, turning red, going all the way up, and going up, and going up. When that reaches the top, it's overheating and it has to recharge. See? So I cannot keep spamming the stream. The stream. Don't spam my stream. Alright, so I have to vent it. So that's the regular proton stream. That's the regular one. Okay, that's the regular proton stream. And then there's like the shotgun version of the proton stream. Look. That's the shotgun. But it overheats right away. You see? Right away. And then Egon introduced this. You see? The blue. It's called the stasis stream. You shoot. Hold on, sorry. It's a blue. This slows them down. And if I keep shooting it, they will actually stop completely. From slow to actual stop. It's like a freeze ray, but it has nothing to do with cold. It's just, it freezes the entities. Kind of. And it also has a shotgun version of it as well. See that? This one overheats like after 3 shots though. Event. Look, let me see how many it takes. 1, 2, 3. After 3 it... And now he just introduced the slime blower. Which is... Where is it? That's one. So that's how you know which one you have activated. The regular one like this is the regular proton stream. Oh, actually it says on the right as well, if you notice. So the regular is the... regular has the proton stream. And then if it goes blue, like this, means I'm activating the...
Take a scan, see what you find.
The thing, and now we're gonna use the slime anyway. The slime neutralizes black slime. Like this, look. You see? It neutralizes the black slime. Because black slime...
Oh, slime! The ectoplasmic residue is by far the least pleasant aspect connected to this field of science.
Great slime.
Okay, so yeah, the black slime, I will show you if I try to walk into it. The black slime is extremely dangerous. If you walk into it, your boots start steaming like acid.
Our own private shortcut to hell. That's convenient.
So that's why he just equipped us with it, because we may have to neutralize a bunch of it. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Probably a cutscene. Yeah.
place. I wonder if this is where the Collector killed the librarian.
I think that would be a safe assumption. That book she's reading is emitting massive energy.
That's your cue, killer. Go get him.
Okay. Are we ready? One last scan. Thank you. Not doing anything. Get. I got the book. Oh.
She took that pretty well, better than I expected.
It makes perfect sense if her residual spirit energy is tied to the book. The Gozerian Codex, right? Now that we have it, her echo must have been released. She's gone. I think we helped her cross over.
Are we done? GG, let's go. Is this lime? No, it's water. Ouch, that hurt. There's nothing in this room. We're done.
And she just crossed right back.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Book stands are generating her shield.
Buddy, the podium! Solto! Solto!
That's it. She can't regenerate the cage. Keep hitting the book stand.
She is shielding herself with the codices. Go after those first.
Oh, come on. We got this.
Up there! You got it!
Ooh, come on.
Ow!
To the right. Oh.
I'm gonna die. I have very low health. Look at that.
Up high!
I'm gonna die!
Ooh, that's smart. Stay on it!
Alright.
That does it. Now let's attack the librarian straight on.
Oh no. Got her! Got her! We got the librarian! Get in there! Get in there, librarian! We got you. We got you. Come on. In there. I didn't expect her to be easy to get in. So. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. We got you. Get in there.
You got him on the ropes!
GG.
In the box!
In the box she goes. And that's why I don't read. No, that's why I prefer reading digitally.
That wasn't as tough as
That's
it
why I
should
like
have been.
Just
ebooks.
thinking of the same thing.
It was almost too easy. Like she wants us to have the codex.
Yes, like she wanted us to blast this room apart.
But why?
Whoa.
Cross-dimensional portal. From the 5th to the 4th. A whole world of ghosts. Something I've dreamt about since college. It's all in the Monarchia Daemonium. Fantastic. Ghost world.
Wouldn't get too excited, Ray. I have a feeling she did it so we can meet an old friend of hers.
Well, if we're going...
Not much choice, is there? It's the only way out. You, take the lead. Don't worry, we do this all the time.
What are we doing? I guess we're going. Whoa.
So this is what the public library looks like on the far side of a cross-dimensional portal.
It's one of infinite potential configurations. You know, theoretically.
Yes, well, this looks like the Gozerian configuration.
Thank you, Danica.
Watch out, black slime.
I need to pee. Oh, look at this! Look at this! I want to. We were talking about the slime earlier. Look at the slime. I'm gonna walk through the slime. Look at this. You see? If I'll take damage if I sit in it for too long. Or not. I should be. So anyway, to neutralize it, we just do this. And it makes it safe again, more or less. Anyway. I think bots sleep. Alright, let's go. Apparently I have to open it. Oh, okay, I need to neutralize it. Hold on. Yay, let's go.
All right, keep your head down and keep hitting these portals. One of them has got to lead out.
The scientific...
Oh no! No!
The natives are restless.
Well, they're certainly aware of our presence.
Oh, look at him. He tried to chase me out after the other one. We're playing with portals. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. This is so funny. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at it, look at this. We're playing with portals. Okay. This is the best way to defeat these guys. Oh yeah, he's coming. So cool. He's there, C4. He is at Winston's here, but we're all got separated. There we go. So that wasn't the right portal. There's two up there. There's another one here. Maybe it's this one? Oh, nope. Yeah, even Bill Murray, Peter Venkman, he's here in the game, like, in the library with me, but... Okay, I'm up here now. Please, no more golems. This is not leading anywhere. Okay. Try this one. Hello, Vladimir. How are you? Please, no more golems. There's one up there. I'm gonna start hitting him from over here. Can I take him down before he reaches me? I don't think so! Another one? Wait, same person here. Run to the portal! Be safe, buddy. Come on, I can do this before he gets me. Come on, I can do this. No, 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 no. There we go. Up there, up there, up there. I need to pee. I need to pee. Whoa!
Well, that was embarrassing.
Now what?
Looks like a good place for slime tether. To stretch a slime tether, point and launch the first anchor, then point and shoot the second. The launched slime tether will then contract.
Uh-huh.
The more tethers you attach to a point, the stronger the resulting
I
blast.
see. I can do that.
Since their ectoplasmic charge has a short half-life, tethers will grow brittle over time and then break. You can blast an existing tether with any other equipment type to destroy it.
Come on. Like a pro, I say that. I say that. That is my saying. That's my... Okay.
Huh, would you look at that? Heck, we should be able to put that back into place.
Nice, I found the portal. This way, this way, this way, this way.
Ah, yeah, you're on fire, cadet.
Ray, it occurs to me that these events are interrelated.
The Gozerian exhibit, the huge energy pulse, the Sedgwick Hotel, the return of Stay
I mean,
Puft.
is this really a hangover nightmare?
Yeah.
I mean, the story?
Yes,
No, the story is,
pointing back to a single
Gozer has something to do with this. He's kind
Alyssa?
of back.
Alyssa.
Well, kind of. I think he's back.
You think she's
Through a
factor
book
in this?
or some
Maybe
collector's
not intentionally, but
items.
almost definitely.
Let's go. Oh, come on, game. You need to stop doing this to me. Now I'm on my own.
Rookie, you still there? Watch out. The mirrors aren't what they seem.
They're like traveling through the mirrors. I see them. Do I break the mirrors? Do I break the mirrors? Huh? Is that what you want? Me to break the mirrors for you? Huh? Does that make you angry? There we go. There you are. I gotcha. Almost there. Oh, she took off again. Let me destroy the mirrors, because something tells me that it's the mirrors. Where is she? I have no idea who Narcoman is actually. Sorry. Come on, Ghost, show yourself. Oh, there you are. There you are. Look what I got! Look what I got! You got me a ghost! You're not going anywhere. Everything's back to normal. Look that I caught her now. Love it. Now, there was a door over here. I don't know if it exists or if I can open it. Portal! Go, 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 go! Okay, run, 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 run.
Okay, I've tried
this one twice already, so it's gotta be another one.
This dimension is extremely volatile. It seems to be tearing itself apart.
Yeah, the dimension is very unstable.
We need to get out of here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't want to deal with monsters. Let's get out of here.
Oh no.
Did you see something scary, Ego?
Stairs. Lots of stairs.
Did you hear that? Oh. Did you see something scary? Yes. Stairs. Lots of stairs. Just trying to get out of the way.
The pattern is starting to make sense. I think I'm close to finding the exit.
Okay, we're all separated, you see? We're all
Heads up, boys, wherever you are.
we've all been separated. They're all trying to figure out the way out.
Huh, totally inverted.
Someone's upside down. So am I. Everything's upside down. Okay.
Okay, I'm through.
Okay.
Send a signal we can track you with.
I'll try, but it might not work. The last portal I entered was at the top of a long flight of steps.
Everything's upside down, so I may be going the right way.
Made it out too. Hey, champ, we won't leave until you find us.
Look for the long staircase. The exit portal is at the very top.
Okay, this looks like a long staircase. Okay.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
Exactly. No, 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 no. I'm gonna die. I died. Alright. Okay. Those moments, rip. Harold Ramis. Alright, let's try again. I'm gonna have to... You see, each time I die, I have to go through this every single time. Alright, let's try it again. Let's try it again.
Made it out too. Hey, champ, we won't leave until you find us.
Look for the long staircase. The exit portal is at the very top.
So I need to wait for these to pass by. Alright, go, 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 go.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
Now these guys are gonna go through here. So I'll just wait for them because they're gonna damage me. Let's go! Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah, man! Every single time I die, I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. Ah, it is from the childhood. Exactly. That's why I love the game. It's childhood all over. I cannot skip this. Let's go. We got this. I just need to be careful because the flying books
Look for the long staircase.
like
The exit
come out from
portal is at
hordes,
the
and I just
very
need to wait
top.
for them to pass. Whenever they're done, run.
Keep moving, sport.
That's one.
Sure
Now
don't
they're
want
gonna
to
do
be trapped
something
in
here.
here.
See, go, 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 go. And then they're gonna do this. What the heck? What the heck? How am I supposed to do this? Oh, come on, man. No, 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 no. There's no checkpoint. I need to do this. I'm not gonna pee before I do this. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who are you gonna call?
Made it out too.
Can I take them out, perhaps? I wonder.
We won't leave
Let's
until you
see.
find us.
Maybe I can try shooting
Look
them.
for the long staircase. The exit portal is at the very top.
I kind of can. I think I can, actually. I think it's easier this way.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
No, I don't. I don't think I'm getting rid of them. I'm gonna have to make an outfit. Aha! Come on, come on, come on! Whew. Uh-oh.
Recruit, I had some trouble getting to the portal. Use the slime tether to bring the portal to you.
Man, this is not good. Holmes? You mean Sherlock Holmes? Oh, come on. Do this. Not good. Run, buddy, run!
Wonder if that's the collector, Rilla.
Go pee. I'm not gonna pee. I'm gonna finish this first.
Hey, Cadet, are you okay? Sounds like it's getting closer.
Can you get to that portal at the top of the stairs?
Come on. I'm bringing the portal to me. What does Bork mean? Toby, what does Bork mean? No, 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 come back. Come on, out, 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 out. Come on.
I do like what they've done with the place here. But I hope that portal would have taken us back to the library.
Actually, we are back in the public library. The dimensional membrane must be extremely thin here.
Someone's holding us here. The Collector.
Yes, Azetlor wants to add to his collection, and he's probably not too happy about us taking the Gozerian Codex with us.
Oh yeah? What can a twisted little bookworm do to scare us?
He murdered Eleanor Twitty for it when he was alive, and a dozen others just to cover it up.
Hey, Collector! We're taking your book! What do you think about that? He's right behind me, isn't he?
Yes, I think you got his attention, Ray.
Oh, boy.
Alright, boss fight. Alright, Bork means anything and more. You know it. Alright, so what do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
He's resisting my proton stream!
Look, his face is protected by black slime.
That must be the key! Hey, Junior, switch out your nozzle and hose him down!
Hose him down. He's like a source of black slime, so we'll green slime him then.
His mask.
Oh, look at that! He flew.
We need to clear the black slime off his mask. Use the slime blower kit. It's clear!
Rip his mask off. It looks vulnerable.
Egon, help me hold it open!
Use the capture stream to rip off his mask.
Yeah, that did it!
Oh no, I think we just
Come on!
angry side.
Bring him down all the way. Concentrate on the eye if you can. He's got nothing that can resist the proton stream.
Hit him in the eye. We've almost got him.
I can't see a thing!
He's out of control! Blast him in the eye! Look, I think it's working!
Whoa, look at this.
Don't question it, Rook. Just blast the glowy part.
Blast the glowy part. I just realized there's portals here. I could use it to my advantage. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on.
Hit the eye with everything you got. Now.
Going through the portal, I don't know. Oh no, Ray needs help.
Aim high.
Somebody go help Ray. Ray.
We need to get out of here.
There's a new portal back here. Come on, Rook, that's gotta be the way out.
Guys! Where are you guys?
There's Winston.
Where the hell were you guys? I've been running all over this library, calling you, looking for you, nothing.
We passed through a cross-dimensional portal into an alternate version of the New York Public Library and fought a 40-foot monster made out of priceless antiques to steal an ancient magical book.
Oh, well, that would explain it then. Next time, leave a note.
Ray, does this mean anything to you?
Nope, it wasn't here the first time we came through.
What is it?
Not entirely sure, but whatever it is, I think we just turned it off.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Thin crust New York style with no visible anchovy.
Maybe later. Right now I need to go back to the lab and take a look at this codex.
And analyze the data we've collected. It could help us when we go to the museum.
Slice to go on the way? Rookie's treat?
And we need to know what this is.
I'll call for delivery. Again.
Hey, 1 minute. 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 1 min
I actually went to pee during the cutscene. Look how efficient I am. Look how efficient. He's getting... Oh, I can play this game now. Can I play pinball, please? I want to play pinball. No, he's like, no, this one, please. Alright, let's go. We need to investigate what's going on. She's drinking out of my coffee mug!
Well, it's a great read, but nothing about that.
I know that symbol.
How?
It shows up sometimes in Sumerian ritual magic. There's a statue on loan at the museum that features it.
What does it represent?
Just a symbol. Signifies a path to obtain great power. Most of my colleagues assume it's an old constellation.
No constellation I ever saw. And I used to tell fortunes on Coney Island.
Is that right? Did you wear a turban?
No, man. A red velvet cape with moons. It was plush.
Get this. The Codex does indicate there is some kind of feeder system required to channel energy to a destructor form.
A destructor form? Like Stay Puft?
It's entirely possible that system and this pattern are connected.
It's possible.
Wait, you said the Gozerian statuary at the museum is on loan. From whom?
Ivo Shandor, the architect. Well, the Shandor Foundation. They control Shandor's remaining estate and holdings. Ivo is a big collector of Gozerian artifacts.
By Ivo Shandor the architect, you mean Ivo Shandor the genocidal maniac, right?
That's what I was researching when Gozer attacked me. Shandor's architecture firm was involved in a number of projects around town in the late early 1900s.
Including Dana Barrett's old building on Central Park West.
You mean the one with the extra-dimensional antenna that drew Gozer to our world so he could attempt to destroy it? Had a nice view of the park, though.
Yes, but he also did some renovations on existing buildings and a number of public works. There was controversy, because a lot of people thought the work was unnecessary.
Let me guess. He did some renovations on the public library building on Fifth.
Right, and the Museum of Natural History.
Recent visitations, specific localized paranormal activity, singing Vikings.
They're all connected to Shandor and this pattern.
Okay. Okay. She has my coffee mug. I want to buy that coffee mug. Guys, the moment I end the stream, I'm gonna buy this coffee mug. I kid you not. I'm buying this. Anyway, hey Ray. Peter, I mean. Hey Peter. Hey Venkman. Sup, Alyssa?
Egon, our new boss, called again?
Please don't call him that. Just Peck. That's bad enough.
Peck called again? He's not happy. He says that if you guys fire just one more unauthorized proton stream, he'll shut us down for good.
Okay, C4, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate that. Take care, have a good nap. So, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. Who do I speak to? This guy? No? Sup, Winston? How about we slide down the pole? Huh? 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 Let's go. Whee! Haha, good Slimer! Do you like it in there, huh? Hey, Janine.
Hello, Ghostbusters. Yes. I don't think so. No, it didn't just stop working, and it doesn't just need toner. It literally exploded after it screamed obscenities at me. No, I don't think the nature of our business has anything at all to do with whether or not you honor your product's warranty. Uh-huh. So what you're telling me is that none of your other copiers that you've sold throughout the entire world have screamed and exploded before breaking down? Uh-huh. Sir, I have to tell you, I find that very hard to believe. They are willing to believe you, but I wasn't born yesterday. No. Goodbye.
That was an awesome conversation. Oh, man. Look at that, actual pictures from the movie. I like that. Anyway, let's continue. How is everything down here? Oh, it's been fixed. Look at that.
Ghostbusters. No. Okay. So, cancel next Thursday then. But I ordered 7 cases of holy water, and you sent an additional 7 cases of what is this stuff? Dragon blood? Please. This is one of those bait and switch jobs, isn't it? Listen, seriously, this is not the company you want to toy with, sir. Ghosts can be introduced into an environment just as easily as they can be extracted. And we just got in a couple of, let's see here, large Taiwanese terror demons.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to
What?
continue playing.
Keep the dragon blood free.
Let's go. Sorry about that. Holy water. She ordered holy water.
We should warn the mayor.
I don't know. He's likely to just sick Peck on us even more.
You should get a closer look at the museum.
Well, the mayor's gonna be at the museum for the exhibitioning opening gala tonight. It's where I need to be too.
Hilissa, you sure make work fun for me. Is business casual okay? I don't have a tux.
Are you kidding? He doesn't want you guys within 3 city blocks of the museum tonight. He thinks you make his campaign contributors nervous. Besides, that Peck guy will be at the party too.
Okay, Egon will stay here and finish analyzing the data from the library. The rest of us will go in by the service entrance of the museum and lay low. Peter can attend the party as Alyssa's guest and stay in plain sight of Peck.
And that frees us up to check out the rest of the building.
I love this plan. It's just dull enough to work. Il, I'm gonna bring you a corsage.
Alright.
Yes, we just arrived at the loading dock. Keep Peck distracted. We're gonna poke around.
Okay, I'll take one for the team.
No sign of the curator. Alyssa told me he'd meet us right here.
Look, black slime.
Something wanted out of this box in a big way.
Watch out, black slime. Unchecked can eventually open a full interdimensional portal. Open doorway, and anything that wants to can come through. If a full portal has been opened, it has to be sealed using your slime blower. That's the key reason we developed that kit. Door sealed shut. Somebody find the power.
Oh yeah, I think. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I think there it is. Hold on. There's the power switch. Sorry, I had to.
Good work, Eagle Eye. Look at this. Something's trailed packing material down the hall here.
Packing material and slime.
Lots of black slime.
Was that a possessor?
Maybe. Looked like a level 7 or above, too.
I love how they can actually recognize ghosts straight away by seeing them. Like, was that a possessor? They just saw it for a split second. Was that a possessor? It's like, I think so. They're pros at their job. Jackhammer! So RE Creators just went and said they're working on RE2. What? So RE Creators just went and said they are still working on RE2 remake. Seriously? That just happened? Really?
Hello? Who's in there?
I'm gonna check
that
real
wants
quick.
out
I'm gonna check
is
real quick what this cutscene plays.
Hey, Cadet, get in here and clear this off, please.
Be ready for anything. Possessors are tricky and powerful.
Oh, Dr. Rutherford. Z, meet the assistant curator of the museum.
Is that horrible, terrible thing gone?
Yeah, she's gone. You good?
Yes, I suppose so. I'm a big fan. I even had you over for my daughter's birthday a couple years ago.
Is that so? Well, I think we can get you a sticker or button or mug or t-shirt or something when we're done here.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Follow me. We'll go through the restoration department.
Alright, where did you find that information, Jack? I'm just... Nobody said anything about that. Okay, Danica, see you. Thank you for hanging out with us. I appreciate that. Have a good night.
Don't you worry.
Take
You'll
care.
have to go through
I don't
me.
think that. Look at this. Look at this. She possessed him.
Can you help him?
Hold him down, young blood.
There you go. That's the possessor. There we go, we gotcha.
All right! You guys are really good.
Voila! That's fusion-based exorcism in a nutshell. Cleaner than somebody's head spinning all around in barbing pea soup.
Will he be okay?
How you doing, Ray?
How's it buzzing? How's it buzzing? Buzzer was this shit.
Oh, he'll be fine in a second. After you.
Yes, please, Jack.
no,
You know
this
how I
place is
love
possessed by possessors.
Resident Evil 2
We
news.
better get to Peter fast.
I honestly make a search for
We found
Resident
the
Evil 2
curator.
remake
We're on our way to the Gozer
on Twitter
exhibit
every
now.
day to see if anything new has been tweeted about the game, or what people said, or articles. I just monitor everything when it comes to
There's
Resident
so
Evil 2.
much to show you. Where to start? Things have been very strange since they started setting up that exhibit.
Well, hello there.
Dig it, Peter. Ray got possessed again.
Aw, Z!
You'll have to go through me first. That's exactly what he said.
Just like a puppy. Every day's the first day.
Oh man. Oh, this is an awesome cutscene.
No, no, no! I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately.
Where's his honor, Pecker? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me.
Not happening, Peckabee. This is for Jock and Jock alone. We won't wait for him to get...
Security, remove these men. With excessive force.
Who is it? Why do the good ones always play hard to get?
What in the hell is going on here?
They got picked.
I never got him.
More possessor
Alright, so
ghosts.
what I need to do
Kids,
first
you know what
is
to
get
do.
the ghosts out of their bodies, like this, and then once they come out, I shoot them with the prototype.
Hurts, doesn't it? Let it all out.
Oh, come on, man.
I'll see you all on
Let me go
Rikers
on stream.
Island for this. Whoa, take a break. Do you ever shut up?
Oh my god!
I'm gonna try using the stasis thing. Maybe I can freeze them.
Dear,
They're attacking the
Come
gate.
on, man. Come on, man. Get them out.
say there!
Oh, this is not good. confusing the... There we go. GG. We're all dead. Somebody pick me up, come on! There we go. One out.
Hold on now. You can't do this. Give it to him.
Alright, I freeze them, and now... No.
Do you know who I am? Ow!
Shut up, you stupid notifications. Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Oh, come on, really? Try again.
Shit!
I'm on my own! I'm on my own! I'm on my own! Alright, out. One of them is...
How much slime you got in there, Ghost? That's a lot of whatever they are. Come on, do that again. I dare you. Oh! Man!
Alright, we're all back together. Okay, another one's been possessed again. Ah! There we go. Two have been possessed. Be careful, buddy. Be careful, be careful.
Ow! Slime!
Alright, welcome back. And you.
Look out! Above you!
Alright, welcome back too.
How much ectoplasm can one ghost produce?
Find some cover!
Possessors are annoying. Okay, we got another one. You found the video. Thank you. Send it to me, please, please, please. He's been possessed again. Oh, come on, Ray.
Ectoplasmic residue is by far the least pleasant aspect connected to this field of science.
Gotcha! And in you go.
Okay, I've got a beat on him.
GG.
I'm from New York, man!
Thank you so much, Jack. I appreciate that. I'll take a look. Oh no, they kidnapped her.
All right, you guys go after Alyssa. Be careful. I'll get to security.
I love this plan.
I'll man the security cameras to triangulate them on the monitors and talk you through.
See you soon, Ray. Let's go, guys.
See you soon, guys. Dr. Rutherford, if you'll show me to security.
Help Peter rescue Alyssa. Okay.
Is that cute?
I don't think that guy is planning to be nice to you. It's a mannequin ambush. Don't bother trying to capture him. Just blast him down to nothing.
This game is so good. Why is it raining in here?
That was nowhere near fatal. Let's make some noise.
You know what this part reminds me of? Resident Evil 5. When you're like in the ruins and there's like
Take it to the bridge.
those...
Did Winston just say, take it to the bridge? What are you guys doing down there?
Fewer funny jokes, more getting to the security cameras, please, Ray.
Peter!
Oh, he got away. The glowing one!
جامد النفط دوت.
Ray, can you see where they went?
We haven't reached the security office yet. This place is really hopping.
Yeah, that's a big 10-4.
Nothing in here? Oh, okay. I missed this door. Sorry, I wanted to do it. Even this one. That cost $1,189 to destroy. We're doing good.
Hittite, Mennonite, Phoenician, Babylonian, Assyrian,
Mesopotamian.
Sumerian.
Ah, he's making it all up.
Just one of those things. You pick this stuff up. You know, around the office.
He's bluffing. He knows nothing.
Peter, come in.
Hi, honey. How was your day?
Man, we've reached the security office. This one is a shambles. It's been sabotaged. Black slime all over the place. Only a few of the cameras are still working.
When you're free, no rush. Open gate 3487, just for kicks.
Give me a minute. Whoa, we're under attack. We'll get
Ray,
back to you.
Stay away from any possession. Dr. Rutherford, if you're still there, can you go catch Dr. Stantz, please?
Oh, man.
Okay, I shook off that possessor. Found a different security room. Can't find Dr. Rutherford, though. I must have scared him off.
You're not pretty when you're possessed, Ray. Seriously.
I've got you on the cameras. You should be coming to the Civil War exhibit. Alyssa just passed through there.
Okay, we're on it. Thanks. You know the difference between this exhibit and the other ones? The soldiers in this one have guns.
Yeah, Winston knows.
Let's just pass through here as quickly as we can. And yeah, I didn't really think we could do it. I was just thinking happy thoughts.
I'm getting heavy interference on the monitors. Are you guys in trouble?
Couldn't have been the American Revolutionary
There's
War,
all
could
ghosts
it?
here.
Or the War on Roses. Even the War on Drugs. It just has to be this one.
Alright, go on. Let's do this real fast. Oh, come on, really?
Hey, more trouble!
That's one. Another one.
Give it to him! How much slime you got in there, Ghost?
Nope. Three? Wow, that's fast. Next one? Come on, I got three at one go. I'm gonna pick this up.
Maybe they're just just drop, but those barrels are marked explosive.
Oh, come on, really?
Look out! Above you! Here they come. Rack him up and shoot him again. Flank!
That's 4.
Let's see you guys fight it out inside that tiny little trap.
Oh, come on, he's across. Come back here.
Almost there. Going down. Now just bring him in. I'm from New York, man. On your left. Oh. Almost there! Incoming!
Wait, very good job. If I do say so myself. Okay, he got this one as well. Come on. Come with me.
On the right! Way to go, Greenhorn!
Have a great time! Roll down, eh? Oh, there's another one. That was...
Ow! That was ow there!
Come on. They got him, come on.
Window, it'd be just like a little Vicksburg snow globe.
Yep, they took some casualties.
Let's go. This way?
Remember to stop by our gift shops and take home a piece of history.
We made it to the security office. I can see you guys on the cameras. No sign of Alyssa or her kidnappers, though. In the early 1900s, the museum was run by a board of trustees. Powerful guys, tycoons, captains of industry. The chairman of the board was Cornelius Wellesley of International Steel. The board used the museum as a respectable front for all kinds of dubious activities. Mainly, though, they were part of a club run by our favorite evil architect. They hired women from the St. Nicholas Rehabilitation Mission for Wayward Angels. Rumor has it the board conducted all kinds of nasty rituals using these women.
We've got to find that oozing tub of blubber and Alyssa.
Right. Let's go.
Well, here we are. The Egypt exhibit. I practically lived here while I was working on my doctorate.
Whoa. Working? Whoa, that's why.
Less black slime then.
Who is that?
Hey, folks, it's okay. Be calm. Everything's under control.
It's the Ghostbusters! Ghost! Get away! Get away!
Oh no!
Watch it now.
Yeah, of course. The trap locks us in with the ghost. Wouldn't it be nice to get locked out every now and then?
Come on!
Hey, more trouble!
Alright. Get in there! Nice.
In the box! Let him have it! Gonna have to watch out for you! On the right!
Another one.
Look out! Above you!
Look, I frozen solid.
Oh yeah! Keep it going! Need a trap!
No, I don't need a trap, I got one.
Trap! Now! And that is precisely how that's done. Hey, Rick, how do we get out of the Egypt exhibit? The main door is blocked up tight.
The Egyptian main room? Check the west wall. There should be a door leading through to the next exhibit.
I'm looking right at the west wall, and I don't see a door.
Good. Thank you very much. Now let's get the hell out of here. Where'd Peter go now?
Whoa!
I think I just caught a glimpse of the chairman, too.
Oh man.
Watch out for him. He looks like a nasty one.
Did you see he tried to scare me? Ah! Venkman, for that, I am going to... Oh, there he is. Let's get him. Oh, wow.
What are the good ones?
The game is so well made. The story, the voice acting, even the graphics. It's fantastic.
There he is! Let's get him!
There they go. Come to life.
There's a new one. Haha! That's Dr. Zeddemore, punk!
Oh, Cheer lost. You got 5 pants, boys, and you lost them. Things are not looking good for you, Cheer. Okay, Cheer, you are aware how it's done, how you transfer pants.
You got a mean
How do you do it? How do you transfer? Where do you get that code? Like give and that code. Where do you get that from?
On your left! Come on! I think we're gaining on it!
Is it here? Nope. Everybody's losing. Let me bet now as well. I wanna bet. Oh, I won! How many do I have now?
Few historical records of this period exist today, and much of what we know about
233. Am I the one that has the most pants now? Who has the most pants right now?
Get a scan on that. I said it before and I'll say it again. Find some cover. Give it to him. Oh! Ow! Ah! Gonna have to watch out for you.
160. Oh wow, Toby has more pants than I do.
Hey guys, did you find Alyssa? Where did that ghost go?
You didn't see him, but he just came through here.
He must be headed back to the World of Gozer exhibit.
That's our cue. Move it.
What a nightmare.
Thank you. Not the words a rescuing hero wants to hear from his damsel in distress. May I say, your eyes are much prettier when they're not glowing like hot coals.
Peter, I've made an extraordinarily frightening discovery.
Why don't you all go away?
All my data indicate that the ghost world is beginning to push through multiple cross portals from their dimension into ours.
Well, more overtime.
Guys, look.
Now she calls my name.
Block the exits!
Don't let it escape with her.
Hit him with slime.
Winston, get the lady out of here before he hits on her again.
Aim for the big yellow eye.
Who wouldn't like to have that superpower?
Okay, Gideon, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm about to
Care
stop
to
as
tell
well.
me why my library, museum, and parade are all going down the toilet?
I keep telling you, sir, the Ghostbusters are nothing but scam artists determined to throw a negative light on you and the city and extort you for more money.
Hello, Peck. I own that suit in blue.
Both of you, pipe down!
Mr. Mayor, an enormous event is on the horizon.
Something at the museum exhibit triggered a systemized psychic occurrence. Some mechanism we don't know the nature of yet.
No, of course you don't.
But it's feeding enormous energy somewhere.
Something that's now in the process of breaking down the walls between our world and another one.
This other world is crossing through into ours. It started with simple ghosts and animated monsters.
Now it's getting bigger. We don't know exactly what's next, but there's only room for one city here in this dimension.
Two physical worlds can't exist in the same space. That's just elementary particle physics.
We got a glimpse of the other world, Jock. It ain't pretty. It's like Brooklyn and the Bronx, with no Queens in the middle.
Whole city blocks sinking into a fifth-dimensional abyss.
Cockroaches the size of polo ponies.
Panic in the streets.
How'd you like disco to come back? Bigger than ever.
I get it. We're in trouble. So what am I supposed to do?
We need to prepare the city for the worst.
The city's my responsibility, not yours. Now go do your job and stop that thing.
How would you like disco to come back? He said.
PKE. Scan around for something paranormal with your goggles.
Wait a sec. I think this is all black slime. Oh, I knew it. It really is a nice game, and the story is fantastic. They put so much effort into it. It's amazing.
This way, gentlemen.
Well, this looks inviting.
I'll be at the office watching over Alyssa. Don't do anything fun without me.
Alright, I am gonna end it. I've been streaming for 4 hours. Pretty much almost 4 hours. I need to get some sleep tomorrow, early work, and the next part coming up, I remember it being very, very hard. So I'm gonna stop here and continue it next time. I don't think there's much left, to be honest with you. I think it's like two more rounds or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna call it because it's nice to split it on 2 streams anyway. Next stream I'll finish it for sure, and the ending is epic. So don't miss that one. I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, every one of you. I'm gonna go take a nap, maybe eat something before I do that. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all, and I'll see you. Hang on. Tomorrow. I can actually stream this time tomorrow again. I'll be on tomorrow for sure. I'll continue this tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye. Ciao.